Sunday, Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Independence Day is here again. Oh! Get ready as your superstation, Love 99.5 FM, brings to you the 63rd Independence Day celebration with all the kids in Ashanti. It's time for all the bubbly little kids in the city to exhibit their talents, have fun, while we shower loads of prizes on them. It's the Love FM Kiddie Festival 2020. Come participate in drama, choreography, poetry recitals, dancing, spelling bee, and lots of exciting activities that we do outside the classroom. Register as a kid, kiddie groups, Sunday school, and as individual kids now by calling 0245 594425 or pick your registration form at the front desk of Love FM. Side attraction includes all the kids playing equipment from bouncy castles, swimming pools, electric trains, and many more. There will be lots to eat and drink. Venue is the Rodray Park on Friday, 6th March 2020, 9 a.m. sharp. Kiddie Fest, celebrating our independence with our talents as we have fun on a holiday. Kiddie Fest is brought to you by your...
Papa Aquatic, Papa the General on this beautiful Thursday morning. Niashan somehow the PP Bontin and Nina Aqua said, Net dance so much to me on Facebook. Every man said, Ne, Yakase Papa, request Yajima at the Fomene and the Nayeno in the Pompon Sunano, yet the ecosystem to the multimedia, a year 25th anniversary, Yenina and never be winning, but my fear, name didn't come and the front page of the Daily Guide. The front page of Daily Guide. He said, Manugusu Amikase, former President John Dramani Mahama on an Ambono region. I say, oh yeah, ni speak out tall. Was here for ni speak out tall. Or it's started from Western North, or the Beko Pipi Membe Brig, it's a copium or Bono region. You know, and Daily Guide, Edia Basse, Brother Mahama, Akoka. Say free SHS or not and a buy. In fact, he started with the progressively free. The Ninians a free. And you know, the claim anything for the domain so many different SHS ban. And you're no and a chassis at the buy. My uncle near the Kwame Buffett Tafena Bronye DC on a MPP chairman Bono Regini Common Yenfe. Eja on one persona same way is in a Senate city. Upon your Mochemo cover the bench FM El Kumaze.
Mejoso onumunyam for one wa pampo na mamache.
O from a papa and say she. Na pa chempo muti saying.
Mejoso papa.
Na yeba hima sunyane ba hima so ye bibia kwaso kama de.
Oh nyankopon adom empanifo de niema aguna kwamu a amamre ne amane kwan so no niema nam na kwan pepe.
Oh, okay, then yamiasi. Minimum said, "Oh, your Daily Guide front page banner headline Ibiasha. Earlier, the medical count story kakra about President Mahama and his crew and the review and other educational sector and some of kakakaniadi. The debate as to who brought free SHS. I shall say, baby. President Mahama claims free SHS on the buy. No. What is happening way?
Medase mame wadaru mame mfa kwanya we na menchia asanteman na asanteman wura otumfo osetutu a otosumi no memfa kwanya nso na memana na yakosonko onene ne mpanfo onenhimfo a chidom masamre ono ani niapanyi na nakosi ajeman na yeso egu nam amamre kwanso omoye yema abusua ne nyina yako na machia party mpanyifo nyina ne party manyina omuti ekire fam nje fam de o mangana nyina na etie mu enano pai maka na sawie no na makase former president da bia no meka montemase medie meme kwame bafo abronya me no kasa enano pai no o the former president John Mahama nyina ho na so mo kase ajakwa kubonsam nie wana kan nokore pa mefa kwa kubonsam e wana ba gini die pa mefa kwa kubonsam because me di kwa kubonsam chain say former president Bekasa Mamati because ono no die yenim ni dada se nokore pa e friend nokore no onka ne di kan
abronya me nyabotrem o kwakubo nsam na wo kana asem because uba Ghana ha ye ne ya komfo kwakubo
nsam nya komanda kwakubo nsam
o ka Bronsam ankasa.
Bronsam ankasa. Sa Bronsam bia ne din kwaku ka ho. Enti se do ma bekasa ma Ghana ni atie die fa tie Bronsam asem. Number 1, the same person in all kwako file no a campaign land your party headquarters. Asem o ka kire Ghana fo nyina ne se yemfa nche no. Na mfie 9 na obedi ye no. He made a lot of mistakes. Na yemfa nche no oba bi nsi bi. Wadaroma. And none of them because Ghana ha. One tea say an robber be a yina free prison no asana ko wiade be one tea da. An robbers ye na de tia no asana ko wiade. Ye na de tia no asana ko nya examples bebre e o Ghana ha. Enti dia na chese nipa ye frɛ ne doma ma o timfie 9 o ye mistakes bebre no ye to abama no 2020 ni se 2021 oba be ye mampanyina manu susumina so ebi madana onye mistakes ye chen o ye no 2013 to 2016 no enti sani panic ala se obi afri prison akwa abasa na ko wiade ebiem dia e kire se mahama ba na mamuo bon ye be hu sa times 5 ni chaso di Bronsam jam ene e bagana nti yan wi Bronsam na ankasa ne yemfa no. Former President John Dramani Mahama, where you're setting the record straight. Oko Cape Coast University na Sembe na Okokai. Oti free senior high no course problems because of high influx. Influx ni say the large number of students omo kwa secondary school no and all the problems are then aba. Never no kind. Cape Coast University on the two da. Free education ama nipa do co school into the problem aba. Into sa nipa no so na di free education ba e de ye da nipa do anko. Mumisam. No be also free education di problem aba no. Oye de kremu free education. O pasa no kwa internet ne so sisi a obo e be yi aba. Free education will collapse Ghana education system, says Mahama. Internet resource, free education will collapse Ghana education system, says Mahama. And to be or see a dear free education at the bar. A best say Ghana woman say no, a year do be claim say free education on the divide. Ebiem John Dramani Mahama Kuro Yi Oti free education na de ba ya Ghana ha nyina no maame wan enenya ademetia na ne school fees eye 15 million won pence wono maame ne da sori ya yesi ne school fees ndo maama se wa fa ho ka onka mayentie so be day student binya admission. Day student you. Enya admission. Na admission is 1,300. Na say almost ombe tuamu 54 Ghana cedis ya. Mpacho ye free. Enti do mama e kase NDC nkontompo no bi say wo mo penso akura bia onya admission okọ secondary school bia do Mahama say otua akura ni school fees dia. Na kese omuko yi sa sika no wa nkura ne dinim na ono fa na mo wa mfa ma nkura no ana omu papa no but abronya is on dispute fact say Mahama started to ya day student school fees with the mamo that was part of the progressive fee kapre wana me bebai opa ko internet ne so sisi Ministry of Education cleared 36 million Ghana cedi debt over progressively free debt. Progressively free debt, you know. MPP are buying under Nanado Danko Akofwado. 54 Ghana now 6 day student, you know. Or the more mono. Capra to them. I am saying on authority on your studio this morning. Say, progressively free no. 36 million Ghana is Nanado Nebetuai. And you know progressively free by no the buy. Ose otimima suku sem tumpon a enye ne pension na 3 northern regions ni nya ye bi school mu krosu ni down feeding grant keke ankom ye tu school mu ankora anko school nya do ma pension esi okrom hanom enti free education be na do ma de baaye ana de konsamampom ana yanhu enti wo di tragu Ghana awofo so se wo mo mai ko school no do ma wo tuo mo school fees ka obi wo ha not ya brochire not the sika ba say yentua me ba school fees and na do ma ka say na otua school fees man krofo obi betima ja na yire because Nhyira friend say ne ba na ko school on fa 15 million mara na nipa na tia wo ma betua school fees no and now wo ba be ka say wo pension na school fees ye free no obi wo ha o mpasem na ni hwe no on friend yire nka say do ma pension na school fees ye free na me betua school fees bebere onya na yire
Nhyira FM
amanfo o muti kroma o mu bo obosia edi hwe wo mu ma school secondary school bang for kwa guso hwe o mu no edi asem na wo ka kire o mu eti the campaign message yankasa ye den asa ye bisa me simple things o ka kire Ghana for 2012 say wo de oba adan na obesie ama obi anya biako ko internet ni so na bi o mu manifesto no page 25 under senior high or see aggressively expand the existing secondary schools to include dormitories to absorb the number of students that are on the call. Page 25 under senior high. And the existing secondary schools, no expansion ben oye ya nenkura ya wi a omukwa wo mu an this for no samba say adena ye free education na nkofo manya babina what is school dada na e wo ho no ba wo bebiem mo mi san so obiem na nenkura no kwa omunya babina na nado na aba within 2 years in 2018 to 2020 no adam emergency building na ye dia man nationwide 1,000 buildings, a be a 6 unit classroom block, a be a 12 unit, a be a 10, and in there could be a story building, a 12 and 9, a room nationwide, a Makumako 1,000, and to $156 million or this say. Our Ghana for Dinamo Ghana for Nature Sabosiano, Satikana do Mama the Yedin. Mumisano or the Yedin, and then another Naba. Existing secondary school na ene na Ghana for ekono na nadu na ebiem a na me ya doma by the me kan wa fidie so by the close of the year na double track a friend do ebi ni Ghana ha by the close of the year dear friend double track no na ebi ni Ghana because na nadu abesi adan agum afi we nkwa na wie no na double track bi nya dai bi ni krom ha. But Abronya, you said double track also poses a lot of challenges in the free SHS. It's an undisputed fact. And I'm say challenges in the business adan and I'm a boy. I didn't know about any challenge. Adan a challenge, you know. O mampanyin na na do danko akofo ado agina ne na so asi adan na pete a fi we ba kona wie ya me kan wa fidie nso sa ade a ye frɛ double track ye ntebiem na do mama nka asema ye ntia o si community day okay yate ma me nya analysis ne nkyerɛw wa me no ka sei wo ba anya admission to Anglican senior high e wo Kumase opoku war prempe ye koduru a ye se prempe aye den aye ma enti suku e wa adujama no ya ma kra ne nko adujama ayi community day ye di kan adujama community day no ti dini na ye den ya eye community day ana se eye omo hotel facility bi wo community day mo enti no nyansa ben na wom so obi ba ka kire se akra wonya admission wo prempe no yenyi ne nko adujama community day ho okwa obetena he obeda he Mumisa akura wanya admission ne maame ti Kumase ni yedena kwa Accra Girls yedena kwa Presex Secondary School yedena kwa Legon Senior High no wo se yemfa ne mra Abronye Community Day one Abronye Community Day ne light ni Abronye
Yeah, but abronye to me can NC supi say enyama President Muhammad the phrase chese bae and anya na de bae because his claim is
say Muhammad na nyem ne kura ko be pon no Muhammad
say the
nyem na obepon no because onwa ni bose a wati se won manifesto mu okofa page 40 Muhammad say obe process agriculture product wo every district to include fruit. This is a Ghana high in a Diabani, and you know the factory ni bikoye.
Okay, but
Muhammad the manifesto mono or say or ba one-time health insurance. I will find.
Okay,
only back di na anwa dia oko as a flabera. Eye truck esie, eye darga, eye 419, eye kalabure. And say, oti NDC for ni nyina nto aba ma no. No mo to aba ma no pe 1.21 party office or Baba start here. To Abaman 2018 no ayi mu on ebesi na no 1.21 party school in our start here.
Come of when me patro Jansuka Krama na we de facha me na yenia Abbas Nurudin also na ya regional communication officer e wa Santro de ma NDC.
Other stations in Frame come bo we are na me.
Just 1 minute per no so or quick response be the man you we na ma ko tisi afacha me. Abbas me watch ma ko ba de bench FM.
So Papa.
Okay. Emi patron koma ye di is it an undisputed fact say President Muhammad na different SHS bae and as a progressively free no different from a free SHS?
Yo Papa me da wase na mamentia adehye konkron a etie yen ewo Nhyira FM. Enza no pay mo asem a mo de tu dwa no ntima pre owura amebafo a won ne twetwe ho komo ene say owura John Dramani Mahama akoka say ono na share free education and say through the progressively free policy or the buyer and na ura abronye say enye no kre na ura Mahama emfa free education dia maye na ono wo ho nsem kakra bia wo be kan kire say enye ura Mahama na the free education baye ba ono ano nkasa yemu no ono asa akasa bia akoche kire ne ho asa bi dia dance yemu obi ehuru say Ampani Ura Mahama introducing progressively free education. Not just Ura Bronya no on one kata katakra no if you walk away compete. That is the first point.
Miso on pia kapre. 36 million Ghana to one pia kapre.
Me bacha mati. Abronya mabas nto aso. Me da sa mabas me intio.
Ura Bronya kata yemu na kata.
Abronya me bacha nyabo chema me mabas ngese me wi me ba ho. Abronya me da wase mabas mi o de mabas mi wi me ba ho. Mabas me intio.
Na te Ura Bronya no an kata yemu no. Wajia to mu say ampani ampa Ura John Dramani Mahama the progressively free education here there. Ebaye na kama ujia nyentia ni nyina o free ho na ekakakada ho na se abide the policy ba na se ye implement policy no na abide free ho na ekakakada ho na enu nti ye ka se ye che policy na free ta by nsem bia and say ye beka se o mampanyini kofo nso wanfa national health insurance via ma because 2008 abra o free aban mu no Prof Mills by National Health Insurance Omujaka 600 million Ghana cedis yet NDC are buying the bitch. Was a customer for health insurance. This can only be a product of a very confused person. That is the first point. But with the man of documentary proof, NPP and one kata a chapter say Ampani Ampaura, John Dramani Mahama, free education by.
Free education how on that point.
Hello.
Meet you up about because I eat you.
Workshop who Emma headmasters are the work on the Mina Kubi. At the policy document be to jar. Policy document who can't want them a napo. Her policy document to page 6 Ura na po no ye Ghana education minister just for Mampeni John Dramani Mahama by no abaso the progressively free education or the buy and why they aboa that policy document no over online say here Ura na po and so a minister or that so there is a documentary proof to back the claim that Omampeni Mahama introduced progressively free education. But Papa, what you free hokra, Niembra, a year, the Constitution of Ghana, Article 25 plus 1 subsection B, Eka. Eka say, a mere economy, and was education, a year free progressively. And non-year is what you want, now guided the implementation of progressively free education by you, Mahama. Say, Abra, I didn't free Kakrano. Now, yes, the free schools are. The man kwalai who come get the idea. Ako. Enti abra o mampeni John Dramani Mahama is abayuno. Na secondary schools Kwano was 123 a move 47 there ye die ano. Dodo na nso ne awia e twen se be bia no. Na nye na na dodan kwa kufu adoa. Nka menim se woni veranda utimi yen ade. O mampeni ne awaba won secondary school ba ko pra so be secondary school free. Ehe na nkwala beda. Papa Neuba Santa Regina, who called Digama, who occurred Digama, and then Digama school and Yankupon Nhyira Mahama and Sasso de Tum at Digamano, and Pala after Moody school, you pay 6,000. It is Apala who called Digama school, and then so was Shira, Ubeshira Yura John Dramani Mahama, and I say, Ubeshira and another Tanko. But you, Papa, who share a dear. Nana do dia ba o see a free education. They can't say one to progressively free no ayu Mahama eye ntino. And na a car wo mu kura no do so chain a car na wo bo abra no buche school fees. Na papa o dey analysis way. Since ayu John Dramani Mahama wo kono. Akwala no go day school under progressively free education no. Maybe 20 cedis. Maybe 50 cedis because na ayu Mahama e tia bi emom. And Kuala na boarding, no, which have 5.4 million, a 500 and 400 Ghana cedis because of a pianea. No, we deal with the young prince. 50 million na you have 1 year can want them no. A ya possible customer you contumpo them. Now boarding fee, a 5.4 million. And now I buy this for the progressively free education. But I don't know that I let you 5.4 million no. Obetina school mo 3 months akọ school ni nyina really ya makwan ya waye dey wabafie and then they akofa double track I aba and you say 4 months no apala bi ko 2 months anu abetina fie na foforo nso akọ 2 months na oya owofo na oba betina fie na wo mpese obeye batabata na wo de na for double track extra classes no bosumi bia ye 3.5 million that's 350 Ghana. If 2 months no 7 million Ghana cedis. And no one does to change school fees are not for the structure and the Euro Condomani Mahama. It's when you need to make up free education. Okay. And then I would like to be school. I will come here. Near the Napo for near the student. Nana will for Apple High Diamano. Nana will for Apple. I bet you light bill, I bet you water bill. I think what I really not no who for about 30 billion. So who to make out all the free education. I had a man. And no thing I cast a free education policy no na a papa. That it's something another so no the open and time prene 1 year the constitution in Canada. And now what how at the better Ghana so I'm on the World Bank, we are in our bank at the report we have about here. Your friend is the Human Development Index.
Okay.
I almost say in the next 15 years.
Okay.
The educational system ever say Ghana because of free education.
It's Abbas.
I want to say. And when you put in Dantani, this is Kabuano. Obi are the best for SSR. And that's what the Bane Cocker on Quan, on Ye, no failing, no maturity. Or the main cost of the Indian media Bonebra. It is all prepared. Now we can SSP now, Palana Court, now he didn't do no failing or better.
It's Abbas, but it's President Mahama, the progressive free in a buy, and also the free such in a buy. President John Dramani Mahama on implementing progressively free education and also the free education or start here and Mudia Hino de buy.
Papa, what would say Article 25 plus 1 subsection B of the 1992 Constitutional. Of the Ghana Miracle education from the basic level, from secondary vocational should be free progressively. Into whether progressive or not, there was a certain element of free
okay.
that by way intimate and appropriate.
Okay.
Now we be not train all the regions now. We go free education. Appropriate the idea of free education. And you know, na you are brought your consent here. And no crowd champ for you be we are saying that idea of community-based school you are Mahama you know, one tier one or the Digama example. Again, Tina you see a year community-based school a Digama. You could see community-based school a Digama say a crack extra Digama what to say for 3 crew, the number 1. So number 2, a Digama, Pokukrum, a Siade, a Budaso, a Sampanaye, Abeswa, and Kuala, baby school, Honano. When school or more Potem. Now, Kuala, school, a Digama, no, sorry, Messin and Cataway day or Comampong. Now, Kuala, the school on the Potemua or the Bat, I can't say. That's not sorry, and Copan Kuala, Abeswa, and Kuala, Sabrononia, Shroom, and the Siabas, no, oh, Pokukrum, Faumine. Now for members
okay.
Practically for what a private home. I'm going to come up in a temper environment. That's why they apple. I was
what are progressively free and I say you free no there said and there is a certain element of free or the implementation of free and therefore you cannot say something and the phrase just by
in a minute na menye nedi kan Ose Mahama the community day by within the community honom no omo ne nkwa o catch them say Anglican senior high ayema premta ayema opoku wara ayema Kumasi senior high ayema no enkura na omo whatsapp community day community sia wabobot obia ne onya admission ko hana obia ne onya admission ko nti onim ye oka se fa na tie dia se sana tie bia na ni kwanse prepayema bi niama prempe ne opoku wara ayema ana na mo starting mo the so called progressive free in schools wanyema because 2013 and crow mo tena fie go to the Ghana education website and crow mo tena fie o mo qualify say so mo ko secondary school man kono eye 113,000 I don't know manko because o papa no mo maame ni bi 2014 and crow mo tena fie na mo qualify say so mo ko secondary school na o mo papa no maame nya sika ma o mo anko under Mahama no o mo ye 115,000 I don't know manko say na progressively free wo ha ana na akwa no one family niam anko say ye free education ti ye ko sankwa ye o mo tena fie nyina no o fa 2016 and crow mo tena fie o mo twa ya o mantima nko secondary school o maame no papa ni bi no eye 114,000 adentia and o mo tena fie na na do buy sankwa ni nyina asena ba be ba wuram na na mo progressive free na eye da sankwa ni ti fie enti eye Ghana fo mo tie nkire fam eye se NDC say wo ba o mo penso se obanya admission eye 1,000 Ghana o mo 4,000 Ghana kan nyina so obanya admission our boarding na say 1,700 na do ma amatua ni nyina papa wo tie nkire fam sa sika na ma wo do nyim pefe so kofia wo ba ne school fees e wo school ho na do ma ama se papa no wo boa maame wo ye trofo so ko obi wona kwaje bosian that time na about so gina say an suku akura bi onya admission 2013 2014 2015 ekosi 2016 wo Ghana ha bia na do ma ama na president no na sa nipa no okosuku a ontia ka pre ne do ma ama afa ho ka enti Ghana for farm ho ka dia na so ni mpefese okotia sika dia na kire nipa ya fra ne do ma hama no wabu wafa so oduba dini adisika afa nkwantinti akwa jisika
okay mama Abbas mane fe kuma
nsema omo ya den wo mo kanu
mama na wasa bronye mama na wasa Abbas ya na property fa common fancy ha
empanyfo se wa nkunu wa aboa mantamwa se anto ne kasa tenten a na ato ne kontompo se ne nemenia abronye e kan wo ni nsem a wo kan wa se wutomu asukwa unsa asem no ankasa no anu ombre edi enti na American sa o se ne Anglican ayema Trenta ayema opoku ari ayema again tina sa school ya yema sa school ya yema every say akwala bia wie school o edukama ye de nepa prempe ye de nepa card akwala bi wie school o fin so a ye de nepa prempe ye de nepa card akwala bi wie school o bosontwe oyoko a ye de nepa prempe ye de nepa card enti now man panyina secondary school was afọ yin potemu nyina no se afọ no ko school was am potemu wa e kwan baba da prempe ne card a ho enyama enye the interest into a common sense analysis so what nyama di ya wo bete asem we ase papa which 2019-2020 academic year according to a year that WAEC and kwala a real school BECE school no about 580,000 papa which you about 580,000 a year GES no WAEC it me please about 460,000 and today me no say I see the free education abay and kwala pay 90 to 100,000 if you are when the bianya day or when the bianco. And that argument says that the free education about no be in your school ni be kono e ye component na brabasa me dia penyin se mo ye dey e mata for 2019 a ye won kwala be 30,000 a ye se computer for man to be dia ye sa so mo tan ko ye dey mo ko tue bi ya and also ye at an additional cost to our for and ye share free education has been 3 years no and kwala be 200,000 na tifia because I got pay am place omo ye so omo feli ana say omo space ni ho omo be ko be bia enti ade ana people wo ya omo play omo so omo pesa kwala bia ko school no that purpose has been defeated because then kwala be 200,000 tifia because of lack of space
mama na wase mi nya dia ka no
ye can say enye dantane de sika emu ano wo papa wo tu so do pa ko SSR o hwe say SS no be ko awie na wasa toa when your school to us why they akọ and then first batch of SHS students ebewie abawe you say and was say universities polytechnic any training colleges e work room and you train them na kwala ni wi a wo mo akọ school no 1 year am ayibia wo train man kwala na wi a be boa pay so now say yeah firefighting approach but NDC as a political party training colleges better 47 year wa no yanko ayesimo better 30 universities are what Ghana ha apart from Lekon and the University and the UCC really back then you see here UDS then you see here University of Health and Allied Sciences then you see here at the Wosunyano University of
Abbas only another issue another debate that we will talk about mami nya onfansi na nyame adom de best studio be born ya to aso yakupon nhyira ye ni Abbas no de ni NDC regional communication officer na motin kan Elias mote Kwame Bafo abronya DC ono so chairman Edema Bono region MPP now go for the front page of the Daily Guide and pay obian ko pa bi no hwe I brought free SHS Mahama claims. Or the page 3. Eventually, who come on a this free SHS, what a progressively free SHS, and as the entire free SHS and wine and a debate. And a pay in a debate. It's why we tell me nano pay free SHS, wine and a debate. Is a President John Dramani Mahama, and I said another Danko Kufuado. Yento to adwene yenko yenim 0244 320564 0244 320564 ko ha na eno ne ye WhatsApp line abutimi do voice note but menyen more than 45 seconds adoso a 30 seconds na chese yabo e de amone nyina yentie toto adwene yenhwe na debate ni enkoso free SHS wine ene de baye yenina yenni enkomo ne yenkoyenim migusu ka kire osema we refi say fufu party on the 6th of March Independence Day Kumasi and I eba bedinu 63 years of Ghana independence ibedinu Kumasi multimedia after the 63 years no yenyem 25 years enya sam ketwa ya de pa eno ntie no so se saade a yeso saada na ye di independence no komase no yese modi fufu so free ti bo modern brand Nhyira fam ha e do hia na wasanka de hia na wayewa de hia na ubo de hia na ochensen fabra na be di free we asembia eni ho is as simple as ABCD ti de bo modern bra na be di free sada ne de eye fufuo ye di free na bibia enkoye Nhyira 1045 mama njin katoa ka me ba ibe mu okonya na ye bi phone line se bobo eye voice note be ma so ate na nkomo ye di na no pen but other stories so Abenra Speaker of Parliament Ebufika cried the fans and for home Nhyira sensem for a more market detail so monko Parliament House na ye from a parliamentary press call or cover some of the stories in some maybe so Parliament no at the same time no sa some for ebo modern call na minority force a press conference and Speaker Ebufika kra say omo buy some press for parliamentary proceedings in term parliamentary proceedings e course no omo tumi nja ho enko ya another enko cover another press conference tema enko fo fi se person gage na ya media no ema media fo no bi na babonte be can say the Speaker of Parliament Professor Makokwe ye na nya de a ye ne kwan so na no chire mu issue press statement e de ba ye the fi parliamentary public affairs directorate ye Madam Kate Ado e de betuga se sansem na ye claim say Speaker pese o gage press no enye no kra na mum e na dwen e no chire se proceedings a course of Parliament memma nsɛmtwof emfi ho enko cover another press conference eno ne ade na ɔkyerɛ ɛho asɛm da hɔ ɛkyerɛ benya bote na yɛdi ɛho enkomo sanso so na report so fi sunya ne bai ɛfa sɛ ɛnra man hima na mo ye na yiye no nkofo pi na anhyehyɛ atade ɛka sɛ nhyɛ yɛ bo mo a wokɔ various social media na videos bi da hɔ na so di ho akotire yɛ pa wura John Jinapo ɛda betu dwa sɛ ɛda yɛ po yempo low shedding the aba do so aba nti be ya campaign enfa and publish low shedding timetable say the be ya and person fifie na say okwa dwuma onim say o me fifie be dum kan e say nti be ba fie no say me yi say nti ye po yempo dum so na san aba no pe ye dum kan ya na ana ye ndum no say na ho asem titi ano pe ye be nya botene di ho enkomo so asem ba ko so di akotene e claim say yes President Akufo-Addo na say the president captate ye police for mo pension scheme no aba person yi fi ho o de betu dwa say no kobi anim and no share the various headlines be nearby you mo dinner say captain nya dia o me yi fi ho asem so e da ho a kire nya mra bi de nkomo sanso so e receiver of defunct microfinance yes obetua nkofo momu macro sika kodeda the various microfinance no obetua mo kan from February no see dey yes dey come match because it's share verification maybe also mo ye no e be delay kakra nti mo come match so bi mu patch say sika na yes tutua no about 3 million customers or more various affected services so e patch say sika no o mo saka kapre kra nti ne sa aban claim o claim say sika no mo tua no sika na e and once you dia kotin ye pe benya mra ne de nkomo mamemra na dia ka nyine fanto aso me dia ne papa aquatic papa the general Bernard Kusiapia and after Willie and HTML way Facebook de maye Nhyira 104.5 for number 1 I can radio station kremu sana no pe waso guswa wutie atadwa
At long last, the battle has ended. Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Independence Day is here again. Oh! Get ready as your superstation, Love 99.5 FM, brings to you the 63rd Independence Day celebration with all the kids in Ashanti. It's time for all the bubbly little kids in the city to exhibit their talents, have fun, while we shower loads of prizes on them. It's the Love FM Kiddie Festival 2020. Come participate in drama, choreography, poetry recitals, dancing, spelling bee, and lots of exciting activities that we do outside the classroom. Register as a kid, kiddie groups, Sunday school, and and as individual kids now by calling 0245 594425 or pick your registration form at the front desk of Love FM. Side attraction includes all the kids' play equipment from bouncy castles, swimming pools, electric trains, and many more. There will be lots to eat and drink. Venue is the Rodray Park on Friday, 6th March 2020, 9 a.m. sharp. Kitty Fest, celebrating our independence with our talents as we have fun on a holiday. Kitty Fest is brought to you by your superstation, Love 99.5 FM.
Or is it Tim Mr. Round? Yadika Catro said multimedia, 25 years in here. And on the 6th of March, for fear that Independence Day, Year, Ewa Atum FM Kokomlemle, Nafi Essential in Nhyira FM. Na Yena Difufu no Sonkoso. Now him say Kumase de Yaka Fufua, na ya Santeman. So at Santeman so de Fufu, na Fufu so de Eye Crofro Mobile Toba, and ya be Piemu Hase. Obapa, I'm of it, net to say.
Yango Pandom now, so
Miss Who didn't say Fufu Pepe. Now a higher Frahase.
Your friend or buy ya choba, Papebi.
And I want Casam Sway.
Your friend, me, mammy, ya do not have friend, Charlotte.
Abba, Papa, Mammy, ya, yea. Fufu, make us a Fufu sitting. Fufu,
Tintim,
Fufu,
Tintim.
Allah, Koso. Wouldn't me be? Shadia Mammy, now I'm quite Papa Bina. I'll go with your number.
Your fish. A puncheon and Papebi.
Allah.
Yeah, well, you are Hanum Tilapia, Papebi.
Tilapia, so.
Punching.
Tilapia, where the hell?
Fish, ya, see.
Tilapia, so no, so you need fish for money at the bar.
No crass only much.
Ah, Anna, dear, you must see the punching.
You are punching and waha. You are red fish waha. Tilapia, Papebi. Who phones you one or drumo?
Oh, Tintim, Smack. What's that?
I want to drum Papebi. And yet I am machine. Well, when it's here, you want it in sim. Papebi.
Oh, about him. Now, I'm quite a moon of my baby. They
say, I don't know your punching coin. Could to your dear walk. You
pebia. Tilapia, unity or honor. Anna, Simon,
fresh one.
One on what up to sell us.
I saw him watch up.
Emre,
what's on Quine Papebi, Abunabunu Papebi, Lysu Papebi, Banku Papebi, Emutio Papebi, your Pebia, when you be say, Tintim,
at the end, anymore. They say on the 6th of March, in Strap anymore. At the end, you for buy a
the emotion free a honum say. Yen and I ba honomo. Obiafana Sanka, Apatoriwa, Casio, Mimidiamede Bano. Eh, wouldn't be free. And I'm a day back. It's Obian share or no medu abaya fufu papebi. Where any wo, a tintim, papebi, fufu, Opadia Mra, about 1 mount, Opadia dear, about 1 mount, no pebia, about 1 mount.
Aya fufu! Aya fufu! Aya fufu! Was it Tintim, Mr. Round? Aya fufu! Yeah! Aya Tintim. What him say? Yadika Catch on the 6th of March. Yen na yadi Nhyira in Nhyira FM anim ho pepepe. Na yadi fufu party at their brow. We aya Tintim ekoso Adom FM no. Na ekoso enso ewo Nhyira FM Kumase. Na unim a chef for Janta, a yakama ewo Kumase Asanteman dear. Yaka fufu a na ya Asanteman. Fufu nso dear a home we are seeing na ewo fufu mu. Anything yet what abotreye nso ampa. Abotreye nkunim die enuane wa ha. Unim se bunabunu aha na free. So that I say Kumase de opeduane papa de fufu na pabu abunabunu papa bi dia na ya abotreye. Ye ba bedi nkomo. Ni ahwe enkwan awodo a ye de eba dwumadi na se. Eye fufu o se tintim. Eno an ye de ba. Asanka ne de mefa bi ma afisi wa asanka de boyo suma ho. Asanka kakaka na nkasa ho. Bra na bedi wom. Ye wura abotreye. Bo sampa tasty wom. Emu ode. Obaba Obapa be mo hase na o wone pa yenhwe on the 6th of March, Oba, Ubetutu mo tintimase, and Yanni Bensa, our deba, na and crime ben, our best year who would you median as Yatisa Brubudia, a hasi.
And when Empire contumry on quine, Yawonwa, Emre, hot so. Just a hard year, O Cabro, Rudy, and I abutray, O Pablo, Papa, did ya, nay abutray, Yaw rare or Akukon quine, upon to cracker, Abe, contumry and Medicaka. Ya wa adwene nkwan te se nkwan de bebre me kasa me ka
edoso na ye musa test no so to say oh test no na here test no de here nkwan de waza e ma bi bo nkwan wo bi so di so hye so na ase ahye abotra ye ne nkwan test na to say abotra ye hwe test ne se
ye test no de nyame na meka wudi abo ye ni nkwan ase wa ha ye kura ka ase ye no kura na ede na ye so ye nkwan ye no ye yusu jene akakadro ere nya use spices bia ma me owo me but one jam spices ye de ye akakadro jene moko de ade betum aye bia akokọ mesa ti ye nkwan de ni nyina ede ye de se fie nkwan gbo so ye ye dibi
Dana mo ba on the 6th of March Independence Day for fie da kese a Ghana ye ji ahome na de ne ye hwa ni mu fie abotre
ye mo hwa ni mu pa e kontomire nkwan menkan fufuo ene rere nkwan ye wa akokọ so wo ho
anya abotre rere nkwan ye se ma ni bi ya na ase ahye so what you say we do ose bunabunu ene rere nkwan no what you say what dey ba on the 6th of March Nhyira FM premises one satam na Adom FM etwagu so wo ho it is there fufuo tintim no Adom FM Nhyira FM ya ka bo eye tintim se fufuo ye nyina ye ba hia ne ye nyina ye hia na nya fe aduane ba ko fa ne wiase ani mo nyam fufuo ya ka nyina ya nwamo me nhia
At long last, the battle has ended. Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Independence Day is here again. Oh! Get ready as your superstation, Love 99.5 FM, brings to you the 63rd Independence Day celebration with all the kids in Ashanti. It's time for all the bubbly little kids in the city to exhibit their talents, have fun, while we shower loads of prizes on them. It's the Love FM Kiddie Festival 2020. Come participate in drama, choreography, poetry recitals, dancing, spelling bee, and lots of exciting activities that we do outside the classroom. Register as a kid, kiddie groups, Sunday school, and as individual kids now by calling 0245 594425 or pick your registration form at the front desk of Love FM. Side attraction includes all the kids playing equipment from bouncy castles, swimming pools, electric trains, and many more. There will be lots to eat and drink. Venue is the Rodray Park on Friday, 6th March 2020, 9 a.m. sharp. Kiddie Fest, celebrating our independence with our talents as we have fun on a holiday. Kiddie Fest is brought to you by your superstation, Love 99.5 FM.
Whoa, yeah! On the 6th of March, abusiafo, ye nyina ye hia ewo Nhyira FM premises na ye de fufuo party no abaso eye tintim. Fufuo party and ye de ebra wonim say afie etwa mu no ekoso ewa Adom FM. Enti Adom ene Nhyira nyina na ye so atiaze eye tintim. Ahohoma wo fufuo mu me ba ba kyerɛkyerɛ o. Enti si aba be pie mu agyeso. Oba hima na nkasa ni kuro nie. Enti agyeso de wonim say eya aponchiechi so what as tiedi ni ye aponchiechi choba ye fufuo eye tintim ye bedi nkomo ni ehu enkwan kra ye de eba dwumadie nase enenti ana wotifie di se wo ba bi twame ni eni nkomo emra ya medical care sisi an ya ba adweso we eya aponchiechi choba na yenya opanyinipa wada aponchiechi choba no yemwa ha
ya ura
Abomboko de
yankopon adom
ye na de ti na woto aponchiechi choba
aponchiechi choba de reto aponchiechi asikire ne se me na me nkum nto ho nkum nse fridge ti fresh ye kum free ma yanka na ba ye na me de ye nkwan
ya dew
to be banana chini tetenkwan ne na hu as yes aponche nkwan ne na boys na me akwanya me na mtu ne di boys na sesisu na etu sa na boys ne taxi driver for no aponchiechi tuba ha na mtu ne di aponchiechi 6 March no ene mama beda na di aponche nkwan
The Ghana had the upper ponchen kwa papa da a ponchechi, a wajus municipal nachi. A ponchechin kwa de wood dear and Quan Sanda. May ye be 15 years in Sanda. This may be a loca. And Quan Obanas be a Missy Jane and the bay yene and Mokono. No say yes. To wood dear what it tastes no. O boy, Adriania, what the Maggie, Ubana would dear ponchecha, what's a garrick, a cacadro, any Jane. And into a map on church so. The beer cosum.
There's a new hammer that's
new family dear. Say me start to say, Peunam Kakwa more crack netu. Obika Chamco to Missiba. Tracy sent in the bedroom home.
Mama Ivy, na motor the carway, I say a tin to me about your hair. Dear Canino, a disoba in Shrefam on the 6th of March. Now so by social.
Ensema ekosu kumase no yen kan ya yeti ko ka bi dia Kuro Yi Mu Nsem be we soldier force ye discipline no vanguard for them soldier force specific Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
Anas the nyansa krono no dey pok Ghana nyina
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what's the reviewing economics boost in our minute? Adding so piece on the economy management to be out. John Mahama now, on only time, not sitting at the China inflation, senior they get for almost how many marks?
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ghana for Sena, at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000, and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba na meja paye enti siamosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now, Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Your number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM edit the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pa husima aduana ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pa husima aduana ekosi ewia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa ekosi no nan eno so yato ne din Playoff na yede Memeda de no so ede asomoso don hwere miensa ena Memeda bia yetena se free anopa nonkono ekosi ewia dumienu jumade ho chiame
Some of the nyina na yabo no ayede eba e jumade me dey bright kan kambodu
kwabena open FA OB twice
happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also Bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football, I need a bigger interest, and I say, Bonnie,
Christian, I do say,
and what he said on the premise in Chelsea, just the boss question that is so uncooping. Yes,
I'm on an ensemble Ebana Andy Casillas,
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona,
and then a Najman. Bomodia said the Bia on Mrs. Our program way, now the global show.
Abiwa news na mitie
asem wo ho ne seme di asam nam police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bobema na guso hey
adai
eya ben wa ha
soko
aben wa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra ensam ahodo a eba so no ene enya abotatwitwa ne nkakra ede bro
eno ti hia ye memre da bia ebra dumienu abob ede kopim se dumienu bebo apan mu
ensam a wo bete no ebi areho
akramani jina me ba ne ho eta feeling moja na me ai na mkache mama sema kana mai na kumi ba no
ebi so asere
na obema wo stars ahodo de bi she
bajai
sa stars dey pa na no de ma what him says what ya mo wa feel pa
this me kuntuno
aben soko
At long last, the battle has ended. Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Independence Day is here again. Oh! Get ready as your superstation, Love 99.5 FM, brings to you the 63rd Independence Day celebration with all the kids in Ashanti. It's time for all the bubbly little kids in the city to exhibit their talents, have fun,
bebree na kɔ Nhyira 104.5 yenkona voice note nkofo dia ba bebree ene no na yebebo. The debate is still on. Komo ye dia no penyina nkofo do mo dia adwenche dia ba yentiti bie na ansa ma menka nche o afsa sisi ade abaye Barclays Bank abaye Afsa Bank Ghana. Yenina ya jatum. Se Barclays Bank Limited is now Afsa Bank Ghana Limited. Inti yama Afsa fa kwaba yenina yenim dwuma pa omodi. Ewa mama shu bebre. Special kupi mo South Africa dia. Obi amfa ndi agro Afsa. That is the biggest bank ever. Sisi ya ba Ghana dia. Ye bomodi ya be sumo sumpa. Ye mutini ya ba Ghana. Ye be sumo sumpa. Bomodi ya so beba. Sele na Barclays ye mo ayimpe be yen mo kra. It is now Barclays Bank is now Afsa Ghana Limited. With me I call afsa.com.gh. More information pina so be 030-242-9150 0203-242-9150. Bomodia from Mrs. Ya na onomunim kombo. Hello, good morning.
Papa, good morning. A family Elijah Mikasa Fupachi. Papa, I am Muhammad at the buy, Nemo, one week, and another buy an already. Obe implemented and the advance of Mumina and at the buy into the Kakra buy, and I will use the Kakra ever source. Because service e-blog ya Mama Sisi and MC Abua my Frecheson, Abua Pank and Yanwa. Tinana by school that could receive back on Khan. And this was what the free education I did. Abba,
yes, that's the tossing. Hello, good morning.
Well. The aquatic Papa Nyameke in Samako Toko Hineba Papa Nyameke. Papa, I no pay me moachi, Yankupu Nhyira. If Remy Yaw and Ponsameka Sefri as Antia Chim Crew for him via Brosano, so I'm sure meeting in Nhyira FM. Papa, Didi Kamamention and Aquamia Samoa Boatin DC Bakope Au Yakubu. Uran wa bon homo de Nhyira no. Na obie nim Ghana ha obie nim se ose ade yo na adodankwa Akufo-Addo prekese jama do fitikuti na ne ho agi afiafie mu ono no de free SHS e baaye mampaninda da ma onkana no ntum wo hu se obelusu wo hu se free SHS no amanfo ajatum tina Akufo-Addo besan wini 2020 intino oye yes ha wedi de hotrodo akwada akure nim se free SHS de na Akufo-Addo na de baaye inti me mama onkana no ntum kra na.
Good morning. Me did the Audu Razak because I feel I told you na hinsu to usu store. In fact, me NDC in the buy to me in the Akufo the free SHS in the buy. I had the then with the end so would do your mama had and Akufo the dinner that so say on the free education buy a true so and there's no ABS over man so be a song and makana.
Hello, good morning, Papa. The chair will be oh my Ghana, your friend Amino Army, Mikasa Free Saudi Arabia. Patrol debate na efa e kind of say free education. Patrol yeah, more educating amount for my NTS. I didn't any free up to now it is a progressive. If say I didn't know I see free no. Omo amuko school no. Ye ma obi no mu textbook ebinom omo de se omo nto omo de so untimi kan tell me say ade na free progressive se ba be free dia obi bia obekọ school ni textbook ne ye be share nsemu ye nka so obi nkoto bi na ye be ma obi mu enti be dasi
Papa, good morning. Sheu na kasa no kononguze ongo. Papa, free SHS ne die. John Mama na de buy. If you say John Mama na opese, wo ye bibia e wo no kwan so. Enti wo hya se wo CC schools. Community day schools no CC schools schools wie na nka. Wa be free SHS na mana ye papa nka enye double tax se Akufo-Addo eye. E na nka 4 years ndo na nim say obenya aba na nka wato so na nka wa bie free SHS no. Ama bibia ye pepepe na Akufo-Addo betena akonya no so a ne se on na ode aban banya Akufo-Addo na de bae John Mama na de bae. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, good morning, Papa. Midindi Hamza, me freka se free se hwebo akope. Honorable Dr. Emmanuel Kwabrama Oforukro Member of Parliament, still maintain in Yura Francis Adenimu, on so mpon na fe honorable Hidado na Daniel Ochema Baji na me say ye pe obi a wodi freezing high school baya say we put the papa eni kwazen ka ubisa and as wodi me ye bobo hokura na nya president former president Mahama ya no ka say freezing high school be ye ya just the next 20 years 20 years is one having put am 3 years aba o say freezing high school nye ye china one former deputy minister for education Leo Kran Honorable Leo Kran and no more kai say freezing high school nye dwuma china just next 20 years coming and a freezing high school be dwuma papa nenne utwa ho na so okosa aba na so say wo na the freezing high school ba ya empo no stem na his excellency the visionary leader Nana do da Akufo-Addo e ka say freezing school do obeya biye ni biem e no say progressively one na umpo wuti side time no e wo Ghana
Papa Nyameke good morning me say radio domobia ho ye frame me Joanna me ka say free Italy Palermo your mama say free education na dey there buy also dey free here na buy oni message bia masa on pebe bi ntane anwene ye ho why na enim say na ado na de bai masa John mama on pebe bi ntana e de ensem no okeka no ho we the original women was a masa wonya na asem pebe bi ntana me anwene ye ho oni asem bi aka on pebe bi ntana nye de hia ni
apenya mike machin apenya mike na pomti sen ano si so mama Linda Kunu kasa free bantino opanyam kana semu ya wa ubu sase amampanyi dada John Jamin Mahama ndisi from some na de free education by no wa hwa o kan say e de na kire se na de free education by o Ghana ha free education so amampanyi dada so ba obetwam e de na kire se na de free education by biana ba ai opanyam ke Ghana yenye ya adwin say the NDC baby arrange to a show me red card go Ghana community the man pay that John Jamin Mahama still onya no fan ped ma foforo de na akunya no ametina subi
and now Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Well, hi, show 1045. So the debate is still on us. So when the difference just by Ubia transfer explain us to so progressively free say free but mamenyan kato me ba still voice note to be down why besa bobia me woti be say that Canada to house
free why say free Nhyira free
Show 104.5. Yawazoye. Anything na yede obra at 1 eba onchen. Ye from your sofu nuaba efe amano. Ubeti ya from lady amano. Ma yenshia fi juada kwesi efiada. Obra at 1 p.m. pepepe. Enchechire bebre wom. Adisua ewom. Ememe esu. Ema esu. Enkwada esre. Ye tua school fees. Ni ye hwe bia yaresa. Na ye bobi ema omo nya adwuma. E how be na wom. Ma yenshia 1 p.m. Debiarada. Ejuada kwesi efiada.
Manu play back up. No ne be mate ho. Wo sis de si ye nyina no, wamba hospital ni buofu de de. Wo ko ya wo se e Canada wo ye nwie. Wo sa kwone na sa kwatrase. O wie ye now. Ama na sa anyi biem. Wo ba ya wo kan nyina wanka. Ma, na no kra mentia se wo mansia. E ye feeling so. E ye feeling so.
At long last, the battle has ended. Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Independence Day is here again. Oh! Get ready as your superstation, Love 99.5 FM, brings to you the 63rd Independence Day celebration with all the kids in Ashanti. It's time for all the bubbly little kids in the city to exhibit their talents, have fun, while we shower loads of prizes on them. It's the Love FM Giddy Festival 2020. Come participate in drama, choreography, poetry recitals, dancing, spelling bee, and lots of exciting activities that we do outside the classroom. Register as a kid, kiddie groups, Sunday school, and and as individual kids now by calling 0245 594425 or pick a registration form at the front desk of Love FM. Side attraction includes all the kids' playing equipment from bouncy castles, swimming pools, electric trains, and many more. There will be lots to eat and drink. Venue is the Rodri Park on Friday, 6th March 2020, 9 a.m. sharp. Kitty Fest, celebrating our independence with our talents as we have fun on a holiday. Kitty Fest is brought to you by your superstation, Love 99.5 FM.
Suna semu yi na send it here. Opani ya mwache mwakwa de bench FM e Kumasi.
Mejoso onumunyamfo wona wapamfo na mamache.
O from a papa and say hwe. Na bache mpo muti saying.
Mejoso papa.
Na yeba hima sunyane ba hima so yenu bia kwaso kama de.
Oh nyankopon adom mpanifo de niema aguna kwamu a amamre ne amane kwanso no niema nam na kwam pepepepepepepepe.
Okay, da nyamiasi. Minimum said on your daily guide front page banner headline ni biasha. Earlier na medical count story kakra about President Mahama and his crew and a review and other educational sector and some of kakakaniadi. The debate as to who brought free SHS. I shall say baby. President Mahama claims free SHS on a debate. On person no. What is happening way?
Medase mame wadaru mame mfa kwanya we na menchia asanteman na asanteman wura otumfo osetutu a otosumi no memfa kwanya nso na memana na yakosonko onene ne mpanfo onenimfo a chidom masa amre ono ani nyapanyi na na kosi ajeman na yiso egu enam amamre kwanso omoye yema abusuan nyina yako na matia party mpanfo nyina ne party manyina omuti akire fam nje nkire fam de o manga na nyina na etie mu enano pai maka na sawie no na makase former president da bia no meka montemase medie me kwa me bafo abronya me no kasa enano pai no o the former president John Mahama nyina ho na so mo kase adakwa kubronsam nie wana kan nokore pa mefa kwa kubronsam wana gini die pa mefa kwa kubronsam because me di kwa kubronsam chain say former president Beka Samamati because ono no die yenim ni dada se nokore pa efre ni nokore no onka ni edikan
abronya me nyabetrem o kwakubu nsam be na wo kana asem because ubaga na haye ni ya konfu kwakubu
nya commandant kwakubu nsam
o ka brunsam ankasa sa brunsam bia ni din kwakuka ho enti se do mama Beka Samagana ni atie die fatie brunsam asem. Number 1, the same person yina all kwa file ni no a campaign land your party headquarters. Asem okatre Ghana fo nyina ne se yemfa nche no na mfie nan na obedi ye no he made a lot of mistakes na yemfa nche no oba bi nsi bi wadaroma enna no pam bi sa se Ghana ha wonti se an roba bi ya yina free prison no asena ko wiade be wonti da an Roberts yeyi na ade tia no asena kwa wiade yeyi na ade tia no asena kwa nya examples bebre e wo Ghana ha enti dia na chese nipa ye frɛ ne domama o si mfie nan o ye mistakes bebre no ye to abama no 2020 ni se 2021 oba be ye mampanyina manu susumi na so ebi madana onye mistakes ye chende o ye no 2013 to 2016 no enti sani pane kala se obia free prison akwa abasa na ko wiade ebiem dia e kire se Mahama ba na mamuo bon ne ye be hu sa times 5 ni chaso di brunsam jam ene e bagana nti yan hwe brunsam na ankasa ne ye mfa no. Former President John Dramani Mahama where you setting the record straight oko Cape Coast University na sembe na oko kan Oti free senior high no cause problems because of high influx. Influx ni kire say
the large number of students omo kwa secondary school no and all the problems are then aba never no kind Cape Coast University on the two free education ama nipa do ko school into the problem aba into sa nipa no so na the free education ba de ye da nipa do anko mumisam no be also free education the problem aba no oye de kremu free education o pasa no kwa internet ne so sisi a wo boy be yi aba free education will collapse Ghana education system says Mahama ko internet ne so bona anyi ama asere me o free education will collapse Ghana education system says Mahama and to obi o si ade ye free education ye de ba ebe say Ghana nwuma sua nhyehyɛ no eye do be klemu say free education on the divide ebiem John Dramani Mahama Kuro ya o si free education on the divide ya Ghana ha nyina no maame wan enenya ademesia na ne school fees eye 15 million won pence wono maame ne da sori ya yesi ne school fees ndo maama se wa fa ho ka onka mayentie so be day student binya admission day student you enya admission na admission ye 1300 na se almost ombetua mu 54 Ghana cedis ya mpacho ye free enti do mama kase ndc nkontompo no bin say wo mo penso akura bia onya admission okọ secondary school bia do mahama say otua akura ni school fees dia na kese o mo koyi sa sika no wa nkura ni dinim na ono fa na mo wa mfa ma nkura no ana o mo papa no
but abronya is on dispute fact say Mahama started to ya day student school fees with the mama that was part of the progressive fee
kapre wana me bebai opa ko internet ni so sisi Ministry of Education cleared 36 million Ghana cedi debt over progressively free debt no MPP aban under Nana Danko Akufo-Addo 554 Ghana now see day student no or the more no Capra Tokrodam. I am saying it on authority on your studio this morning. Say, progressively free no 36 million Ghana is Nanado Nebetuai, and you know progressively free ben or the buy. Or say, Otimima Suku Semtum Power. And yan pension na 3 northern regions in Yabia school Mukrosu ni down. Feeding grant keke, Ankomaya 2 Suku Mwankra Anko Skunya do Mama Penso. Esi okrom hanom enti free education be na do Mama de bae ana de konsamampom ana yanhu enti wo di tragu Ghana wo fo so se wo mo mai ko school no do Mama wo tue o mo school fees ka obi wo ha not ya brochire no di sika ba se yentua me ba school fees and na do Mama ka se na otua school fees man krofo obi betuma ja na yire because Nhyira friend say ne bani ko school on fa 15 million mara na nipa na tia wo ma betua school fees no and na wo ba beka say wo penso na school fees ye free no obi wo ha o mpasem na ni hwe no on friend yire nka say do mama penso na school fees ye free na me betua school fees bebere onya na yire Nhyira FM amanfo o muti kroma o mu bo obosia edi hwe wo mo masuku secondary school bang for kwa guso hwe wo mo no edi asem na wo ka kire wo mo eti the campaign message yankasa ye den asa ye bisa me simple things o ka kire Ghana for 2012 say wo de oba adan na obesie ama obi anya biako ko internet ne so na bia wo mo manifesto no page 25 under senior high or see aggressively expand the existing secondary schools to include dormitories to absorb the number of students that are on the court. Page age 25 under senior high. And the existing secondary schools, no, expansion ben or ye and cry we are more and this for some bar say, other na ye free education and for mania babina. What is school that I know on Uba Ube Mummy Sanso or Biamuna and then Krano Munya babina and another na ba. Within 2 years, in 2018 to 2020, no, I've done emergency building Ayadiaman nationwide, 1,000 buildings. It be a 6 unit classroom block. It be a 12 unit. It be a 10. And then there could be a story building at Twaso and 9 nationwide and Mako 1,000. And to $156 million or G say. Ewa Ghana for Dinimu Ghana for Nature Sabosiano. Satikana do mama de yeden. Numisano or the yeden. And then another naba existing secondary school na and then a Ghana for Equano. Nanadu Nebiamua, Namia Doma, by the Mekano of Fidya to by the close of the year, not double track a friend or a Bini Ghana. By the close of the year, dear friend, double track no. Not a bini Ghana because Nanado Abesia die agum. I feel when corner we not double track binya day, bini chroma.
But Abronya double track also poses a lot of challenges in the free SHS is undisputed fact.
And I'm say challenges in the bini say adan and I'm a boy. I didn't know about any challenge. Adan a challenge, you know. Omampanyin na nado danko akufo ado agina ne na so asi adan na pete afi we ba kona wie ya me kan wa fidie nso sa ade a ye frɛ ne double track ye ntebiem na domama nka se mayenti a ɔse community day okay yate ma me nya analysis ne nkyerɛw wa me no ka sei wo ba anya admission to Anglican senior high e wo Kumase opoku war prempe ye koduru a ye se prempe aye den aye ma enti suku ewa adujama no yama kora ne nko adujama community day ye di kan adujama community day no uti dini na ye den ya community day ana say omo hotel facility bi wo
community day
mo enti no nyansa ben na wom so obi ba ka kire say akora wonya admission wo prempe no yenyi ne nko adujama community day ho okwa obetena he obeda he Mumisa akra wo wanya admission ne maame ti Kumase ni yedena kwa Accra Girls yedena kwa Presex Secondary School yedena kwa Legon Senior High no wo se yemfa ne mra Abronye Community Day one Abronye Community Day ne light ni Abronye.
Yeah, but Abronye to me can NC supi sir enyama President Muhammad di phrase chese bae and anya na de bae because his claim is
Muhammad na nyem ne kura ko be pono no Mahama
says identity
na obepono because onwa ni bosse a wati se won manifesto mu okofa page 40 Mahama say obe process agriculture product wo every district to include fruit bisa say Ghana ha hina duabani ehin na odi factory ni bikoye
okay
Mahama ni manifesto mu no o say oba one time health insurance was fine.
Okay.
Only back odi na anu adaya oko as a frabera. Eye truck esie eye darga eye 419 eye kalabure eni say. Oti NDC fo ni nyina nto aba ma no. No mo to aba ma ne pe 1 constituency 1 party office oba be start here. O mo to aba ma ne 2018 no ayi mu on ebesi na no. 1 constituency 1 party school ni na wa start
come of woni bi pacho jansuka krama me na we dey facha me na yini Abbas Nurudin also na regional communication officer e wa Santro Nyedema NDC
other stations na frame ka me bo wi na me
just 1 minute but no so or quick response be the man you wi na me makotisi afacha me Abbas me wachi makwa be the Nhyira FM
mejo so papa
okay me pacho nkoma ye di is it an undisputed fact President Muhammad a different SHS buyer and as a progressive free no a different from a free SHS?
Yo papa me da wase na mamentia adehye konkon a etie yen ewo Nhyira FM. Enza no pay mo asem a mo de tu dwa no ntima pre owura amebafo a mo ne twetwe ho nkomo ene se owura John Dramani Mahama akoka se ono na share free education ase through the progressively free policy or the buyer. And na ura abronye ese enye nokre na ura mahama emfa free education dia maye na ono wo ho nsem kakra bia wo be kan kire se enye ura mahama na di free education baye ba ono ano nkasa yemu no ono asa akasa bia akotechire ne ho asa bi dia dance yemu obi agru se ampani ampa ura mahama introducing progressively free education. Not just a rap run no one kata kra no if you walk away compete. That is the first point.
And now, Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. And now, Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
All right, Nhyira 1045 and Nadam because it had not was your Jamaica form. Yekasiapa na yenina yone kwakoye juwa ye boma otum fo na busuafo nyina ayo bibe kwa jemi for me pa we dey wow di bibia fine.
Oh yeah, me ato bibia fine.
Bibia fine.
Yeah, bibia fine.
Yeah, so say kwa na ekono.
Yes.
Akwasi boko there.
Oh, akakra.
Bibia come.
Onitia.
Bibia fine. Yeah, fine.
Yeah, na da form.
Sa. Umini ko yini dwa kakra na ene enchena zuba tena se facha me. Ene na
so for yamwa na ba.
Yamwa ene alisedu. Mini ko yini ko
adeso ma yini komo ni yedi komo de ya ufo de definitely or go see
Asante, Ghana, your beloved country is free. At long last, the battle has ended. Ghana, your beloved country is free forever.
Independence Day is here again. Oh! Get ready as your superstation, Love 99.5 FM, brings to you the 63rd Independence Day celebration with all the kids in Ashanti. It's time for all the bubbly little kids in the city to exhibit their talents, have fun, while we shower loads of prizes on them. It's the Love FM Kiddie Festival 2020. Come participate in drama, choreography, poetry recitals, dancing, spelling bee, and lots of exciting activities that we do outside the classroom. Register as a kid, kiddie groups, Sunday school, and as individual kids now by calling 0245-594425 or pick a registration form at the front desk of Love FM. Side attraction includes all the kids playing equipment from bouncy castles, swimming pools, electric trains, and many more. There will be lots to eat and drink. Venue is the Rodray Park on Friday, 6th March 2020, 9 a.m. sharp. Kiddie Fest, celebrating our independence with our talents as we have fun on a holiday. Kiddie Fest is brought to you by your superstation, Love 99.5 FM.
At long last.
Tintim. When him say, Yadika catch on the 6th of March, Yenina Yadi Chere, Nhyira FM anim ho pepepe na ye de fufuo party de e de abrawo we e tintim ekoso adom FM no na ekoso enso e wo Nhyira FM Kumase na wonim e kire fufuo dwanta e ye kama e wo Kumase asanteman de ye ka fufuo a na ye asanteman fufuo nso de ahonhom e wo wiase nyina e wo fufuo mu eniti ye de waba abotre ye nso ampa abotre wie nkunim de enuane wa ha wonim sa bunabunu aha na free. So what I say, Kumasi the Opeduan, Papa Fufu, Napabu, Abunabunu Papa Bidia, Naya Botraye, Yaba Bedinkomo, near Sha and Quaya Wodra, Yade Ever Jumadian. Say, Aya Fufu, say Tim, and 1 year deba. A Sanka de Yamafabi, my Fisia, was Sanka the boy smile, a Sanka Kanakasa, her brother Bedium, you Rabotraye, Bumsampa, tasty room, the more that. Ababa. Obapa Bemo has said, on the 6th of March, Oba, Ubetuamo Tintimase, and Yanni Ben San, our deba, now and Quine Ben, our best year who would Mediana, I just a Brabunidi, a Hassi.
And Quine Pie Contumry, and Quine. ya wonwa emre hotso tesa ha de o ka abrobu de na ya abotre ye o pa abrobu papa didi a na ya abotre ye ha ya wo rere o akukọ nkwan abonti krakra abe kontomre de medical aka ya wa adwene nkwan tesa nkwan de bebre be kasa me ka
edoso na ye musa taste no so to say wow taste no na here o taste no de here nkwan de waza ma bi bo nkwan wo bi so di so ohie so na ase ahye abotra ye ne nkwan taste na to say abotra ye hwe taste ne
se taste no de nyame na meka wudi abo ye ni nkwan ase wa ha ye kura ka ase ye no kura na ede na ye so ye nkwan ye no ye yusu jene akakadu ye nya yusu spices bia ma me owo me but one gem spices ye de ye akakaduro jene moko de ade betuma ye bia akokọ mesa ti ye nkwan de ni nyina ede ye de se fie nkwan gbo so ye gia ye dibi
Dana mo on the 6th of March Independence Day for fie da kese a Ghana ye chi ahome na de ne hwe ni mu fie abotre
ya mo hwe ni mu pa e kontomire nkwan menkan fufuo ene rere nkwan ya wa akokọ so wo
anya abotre rere nkwan ye se ma ni bi ya na ase ahye so what I say we do ose bunabunu ene rere nkwan what I say what dey ba on the 6th of March Nhyira FM premises one satam na Adom FM etwagu so ho it is there fufuo tintim no Adom FM Nhyira FM ya ka bo tintim se fufuo ye nyina ye ba hia ne nyina ye hia na nya fe aduane ba ko pe ne wi ase anim onyam wo fufuo ya ka nyina ya nwamo ne hia
na yeba hima sunyane ba hima so yen bibia kwaso kama de
nyankopon adom mpanifo de niema aguna kwamu a amamre ne amane kwan so no niema nam na kwan pepe
okay da nyamiase minim se no nya daily guide front page banner headline ni bia sha earlier na medical account story kakra about President Mahama and his crew and review and other educational sector and some of kakakani ade the debate as to who brought free SHS I shall say baby President Mahama claims free SHS on the buy on person no what is asem we
Madase mame wadaru mame mfa kwanya we na menchia asanteman na asanteman wura otumfo osetutu a otosumi no memfa kwanya nso na memana na yakosonko onene ne mpanfo ne nyimfo a chidom masa amre ono ani nyapanyi na nakosi ajeman na yiso egu nam amamre kwanso omoye yema abusua ne nyina yako na matia party mpanyifo nyina ne party manyina omuti Nhyira FM Nhyira FM de o manga na nyina na etie mu enano pai maka na sawie no na makase former president da bia no meka montemase medie me Kwame Bafo Abronya me no kasa enano pai no o the former president John Mahama nyina ho na so mo kase ajakwa kubronsam ni wana kan nokore pa mefa kwa kubronsam mefa kwa kubronsam because me di kwa kubronsam chain say former president Bekasa Mamati because ono no die yenim ni dada se nokore pa efre ni nokore no onka ni edi kan
abronya me nyabetrem o kwa kubronsam be na wo kan asem because ubagana ha ye ni ya konfo kwa kubronsam
nya komandan kwa kubronsam
o ka bronsam ankasa sa bronsam bia ni din kwa kuka ho enti se do mama Bekasa magana ni atie die fatie bronsam asem number 1 the same person yina all kwa file ni a campaign land your party headquarters asem o ka kire Ghana fo nyina ne se yemfa nche no na mfie nan na obedi ye no he made a lot of mistakes na yemfa nche no oba bi nsi bi wadaruma enna no pam bi ta se Ghana ha wonti se an roba bi ya yina free prison no asena ko wiade be wonti da an Roberts yeyi na ade tia no asena kwa ko wiade yeyi na ade tia no asena kwa ko nya examples bebre e o Ghana ha
enti dia na kyerɛ nipa ye frɛ ne dɔmaama o se mfie nan o ye mistakes bebree no ye to aba ma no 2020 ni se 2021 oba be ye mampanyina manu susumi na so ebi madana onye mistakes ye chen o ye no 2013 to 2016 no enti sa nipa na kala se obi afri prison akwa aba asana ko wia de ebiem dia e kyerɛ sɛ mahama ba na mamuo bɔn no ye be hu sa times 5 ni chaso di brunsam jam ene eba Ghana nti yan hwe brunsam na ankasa ne yemfa no. Former President John Dramani Mahama where is setting the record straight oko Cape Coast University na sembe na oko kan oti free senior high no course problems because of high influx ni kire say the large number of students omo kwa secondary school no and all the problems are then aba never no kind Cape Coast University on the two free education ama nipa do ko school into the problem aba into sa nipa no so na di free education ba e de ye da nipa do anko mumisam no bi o si free education di problem aba no oye de kremu free education o pasa no kwa internet ne so sisi a obo e be yi aba. Free education will collapse Ghana education system, says Mahama. Internet resource, Obona and Yama Sediment. Or the free education will collapse Ghana education system, says Mahama. And to be or see a dear free education at the bar. A best say Ghana, woman, she say, no, a year do be claim say free education on the divide. Ebiem John Dramani Mahama Kuro Yi o se free education na de ba ya Ghana ha nyina no maame wan enenya ademesia na ne school fees eye 15 million won pence wono maame ne da sori ya yesi ne school fees ndo maama se wa fa ho ka onka mayentie so be day student binya admission day student you enya admission na admission ye 1300 na se almost ombetua mu 54 Ghana cedis ya mpacho ye free enti do mama e kase ndc nkontompo no bi say wo mo penso akura bia onya admission okọ secondary school bia do Mahama say otua akura ni school fees dia na kese omu koyi sa sika no wa nkura ne dinim na ono fa na mo wa mfa ma nkura no ana omu papa nom
but abronya is on dispute fact say Mahama started to ya day student school fees with the mamu that was part of the progressive fee
kapre wana me bebai opa ko internet ne so sisi Ministry of Education clear 36 million Ghana cedi debt over progressively free debt no MPP aban under Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo 554 Ghana now see gay student no or the more no kapra to kuro them. I am saying it on authority on your studio this morning say progressively free no 36 million Ghana is Nanado nebetuai and no progressively free ben or the buy Ose otimima suku semtum ponwa enye ne pension na 3 northern regions ni nya ye bi school mu krosu ni down feeding grant keke ankom ye tu suku mu ankora anko suku nya do ma pension esi okrom hanom enti free education be na do ma de bae ana de konsamampom ana yanhu enti wo di tragu Ghana awofo so say woman make school no do mama wo tue omo school fees ka obi wo ha not ya brochire not the sika ba say yentua me ba school fees and na do mama ka say na otua school fees man krofo obi betuma ja ne yire because Nhyira friend say ne ba ne ko school on fa 15 million mara na nipa na tia wo ma betua school fees no and now wo ba be ka se wo penso na school fees ye free no obi wo ha o mpasem na ni hwe no on frɛ no yire nka se do mama penso na school fees ye free na me be tua school fees bebre onya na yire
Nhyira FM
amanfo o muti krom o mu bo obosia e de hwe wo mu ma school secondary school bank fo kwa gutu hwe wo mo no e de asem na wo ka kire wo mu enti the campaign message yankasa ya den asa ye bisa me simple things o ka kire Ghana for 2012 say wo de oba adan na obesie ama obi anya biako ko internet ne so na bia o mu manifesto no page 25 under senior high or see aggressively expand the existing secondary schools to include dormitories to absorb the number of students that are on the course. Page 25 under senior high. And the existing secondary schools, expansion ben or ye ya nem cry we are mokwa. One this for samba say, Adena ye free education and for mania babina. What is school that dame on uba ube beam? Mummy Sanso obia muna nem cry no qua munya babina nanado na ba. Within 2 years, in 2018 to 2020, I've done emergency building nationwide. 1,000 buildings. It be a 6 unit classroom block. It be a 12 unit. It be a 10. And in there could be a story building at 12 and 9 nationwide. And Makumako 1,000. And to $156 million or this say. Ewa Ghana for dinimu Ghana for netia sa abosiano satika no do mama de yeden numisano o de yeden anena na do na ba existing secondary school na ene na Ghana for ekwo no na na do na ebie mu a na me ya adoma ba de me kan wa fidie so ba the close of the year na double track a friend do ebi ni Ghana ha. By the close of the year, dear friend, double track no. Na ebi ni Ghana because na do abesia dan agum. Afi we nkwa na wie no. Na double track bi nya dan. Bi ni krom ha.
But abronya you say double track also poses a lot of challenges in the free SHS is on dispute fact.
And I'm say challenges ni bi ni say adan ana me bo ade ba na ba start any challenge. Adan na challenge no. Omampanyin na nado danko akufo ado agina ne na so asi adan na pete afi we be ko na wie ya me kan wa fidie nso sa ade a ye frɛ double track ye ntebiem na doma man ka se ma ye ntia o se community day okay ya te ma me nya analysis ne nkyerɛw wa me no ka sei wo ba anya admission to Anglican senior high e wo Kumase opoku war prempe ye koduru a ye se prempe aye den aye ma enti suku ewa adujama no yema kwa ne nko adujama community day ye di kan adujama community day no uti dini na ye den ya community day ana say omo hotel facility bi wo
community day
mo enti no nyansa be na wom so obi ba ka kire o say akora wonya admission wo prempe no yenyi ne nko adujama community day ho okwa obetena he obeda he Mumisa akra wo wanya admission ne maame ti Kumase ni yedena kwa Accra Girls yedena kwa Presex Secondary School yedena kwa Legon Senior High no wo se yemfa ne mra abronye community day one abronye community day ne light ni abronye.
Yeah, but abronye to me can NC supi say enyama president Muhammad di phrase chese bae ananya na de bae because his claim is
Muhammad na nyem ne kura ko be pon no Mahama
says identity
na obepono because onwa ni bosse a wati se won manifesto mu okofa page 40 Mahama say obe process agriculture product wo every district to include fruit this as a Ghana high hina duabani ehin na odi factory ni bikoye
okay
Mahama ni manifesto mu no o say oba one time health insurance was fine.
Okay.
Only back di na anu adaya oko as a frabera. Eye truck esie eye darga eye 419 eye kalabure eni se. Oti NDC fo ni nyina nto aba ma no. Na mo to aba ma ne pe one constituency one party office or Baba started. Man 2018 no. Ayi mu on ebesi no. One conference, one party school in our start.
Come of wouldn't be Patrick Jessica Kramamena with the Fachamena. Yenia Abbas Nurudin, also the regional communication officer, our Sandra Yedema NBC. Other stations in a frame just 1 minute per monoso or quick response with the Mao you and Mamako to see a Fachame. Abbas been watching my cover the bench FM.
So Papa.
Okay. Emi Pachon, come on, is it an undisputed fact? Surprise Muhammad a different SHS buyer and as a progressively free no different from a free SHS.
Your Papa meda wase na mamentia adeshe konkron a etie yen ewo Nhyira FM. Enza no pay mo asemo a mode tu dwa no ntima pre owura amebafo a woni na etwetwe ho nkomo ene se owura John Dramani Mahama akoka se ono na share free education ase through the progressively free policy or the buyer. And ura abronye ese enyanukre na ura Mahama emfa free education dia maye na ono wo ho nsem kakra bia wo be kan kire se enyo ura Mahama na the free education buyer. Ba ono ano nkasa yemu no ono asa kasa bia akotechire ne ho asa bi dia dance yemu obi agru se ampani ampa ura Mahama introducing progressively free education. Not just a rap on one catakra, if you walk away compete. Miss on Pia Capre, 36 million Ghana to 1 Pia Capre. My bachamati, I bring my bass into us. Medas, my bass, I me in deal. Abbas, I bring my bass against me, my bow. I bring me down, my bass in me, or my bass in you, my bow. Abbas me in deal. One kasa yemuno wajia tumuse ampani ampa yura John Dramani Mahama the progressively free education yede ebaye na kama ujia nyentia ni nyina o free ho na ekakakada ho na se abide the policy ba na se ye implement policy no na abide free ho na ekakakada ho na nunti ye ka se ye che policy na preserve my chronism dia and they say ye beka se o mampanyini kofo nso wanfa National Health Insurance via map because 2008 abra ofri abamuno Prof Mills by National Health Insurance omujaka ebe 600 million Ghana cedis yet NBC aban the bitch was here kaso mampanyine kofo amfa health insurance aba. This can only be a product of a very confused person. That is the first point. But the man of documentary proof MPP in one kata chapter say ampani ampaura John Dramani Mahama the free education by free education
on that point.
Hello.
Mitio Baba Sikasa Etio.
A workshop who Emma headmasters are a work on the Kubi at the policy document be to policy document who can't want them a napo. Her policy document to page 6 run a plan no yet Ghana education minister or Mampany John Dramani Mahama by no paso the progressively free education or the buy and why day. That policy document no over online to say run a post and so a minister or that so there is a documentary proof to back the claim that Omampeni Mahama introduced progressively free education. But Papa, what the free hokra, Niembra, the Constitution of Ghana, Article 25 plus 1 subsection B, Eka. Eka say, a mere economy, was education, free progressively. And non-yen is what you want, now guided the implementation of progressively free education by Yura Mahama. Say, abra, adeni free kakra no. Na ye free schools the man kwala wo krom anya biaye dey. Akọ. Enti abra o mampani John Dramani Mahama isi aban mu no. Na secondary schools nko ano, we see 123 a move 47 there ye bie ano. Dodo na nso ne awi a etwen se ye bie ano. Na nye na na do danko akufu ado a. Nka me nim se woni veranda utimi yen ade. o mampani a wa ba won secondary school ba ko also be secondary school free and hin ankwala beda papa na wo ba Ashanti region wo ko adigama wo ka adigama set and the adigama school anyankopon nam Nhyira mahama nsa so de tum adigama no enkwala after module school ye be 6,000 it is akwala wo ko adigama school no and then so wa shira obeshira Nhyira John Dramani Mahama na say obeshira na betanko kufuat eti papa wo hwe ade a na do dia ba o see a free education they can say one to progressively free no Nhyira Mahama eye ntino and na a car wo mu kura no do so chain a car na wo bo abra no bu check school fees na papa o dey analysis we say Nhyira John Dramani Mahama wo kono akwala no go day school under progressively free education no maybe 20 cedis maybe 50 cedis because na Nhyira Mahama e be emom and kwala na wo boarding no no 5.4 million 500 and 400 Ghana cedis because of a piania no mu deal to be amprensa 50 million na Nhyira bon ye kan wasem no ya posiri bu kasa be kontomposem na boarding fee 5.4 million and now applying so the progressively free education but no that collect 5.4 million no or better school mo 3 months after school ni na really ya makwan ya waye dey wa bafie and then they akofa double track I aba and you say 4 months no akwala bi ko 2 months anu abetena fie na foforo nso ako 2 months na oya owofo na oba betena fie na wo mpese obeye batabata na wo de na for double track extra classes double track extra classes no bosumi dia ye 3.5 million that's 350 Ghana if 2 months no ay 7 million Ghana cedis and no kwado so change school fees are not for the structure and Nhyira John Dramani Mahama it's when you to make up what free education abere owo and then akwala me we school e wo Kumasi ha near the na komampo ne akoye the day student na wo fo akọ high diamond no na wo fo akọ obetia light bill obetia water bill apenko na wie ye no na wo fo na go 30 billion sa wo fo who to make all the free education ayede e ma no and no tin na ye ka free education policy no na eye papa that it's something na do so no the open tema pre ne ho anye the constitution in kaniti no and na wakofo ye ne wakofo how e dia beto Ghana so ama the World Bank e wi asimu nyina bank kese e the report bi aba bontia your friend is the Human Development Index.
Okay. Minutes to 9. Yebani abedim komana pay. Yeah. Former MC the Majuso municipality. Just dropping. The dance that you just dropping. But it's not a juso. Okay, but now you're just dropping. Okay, just dropping municipality. Honorable Yama from Gatnas. Honorable Cordia.
Papa, you who are doing
BBI fine.
Yeah, BBI fine, but you who are doing we face the challenges
as and when,
yeah. The BBI they fine. Better the BBI fine, sir. And your man would tell me BBI fine. And now that can him.
Oh, and not the Medakanim.
Was it the
and not the Medakanim
and Radi,
but I'm not. Manda kanim, but I know them that kanim.
Na kania we dundum your friends say.
You so dum.
Where you so dum. Also see your friends say. Bernard, prepare. And I know I'll be see your friend fine. Oh, I see.
But offer with the mammy from Chumito as a Obuasifo. Yamamina good man. I'm saying you have various nice pictures from Obuasia. I just said Nayasem the Boise Township is being asphalted. I just almost since Rollins time since 1991 and a CP for the asphalt to be go Boasukrum. If it's a Tarumuhu asphalt to Krum Wada, but I will show Boise Central Business District name. Town at so more areas for 29 and Nijakasi, but you better need the chili. The here man for Sepa and Yakwanta Boisi Dunkwa Quine. T. DBC for now, the Omasha so Boisi Township. But Boisi and Yakwanta Council at the Denko for Comaso. Until you need the HBCB and CBD offer. Now, those are so one.
No, oh, Nankamina, the Minia Husi, Minguri. Ebena mi hure ni.
Asa me kasa no bi kasa do so one.
Na papa sa me dream ho. social media by ubia maza tokuru biem ubia social media no tokuru biem yegu asphalt kurom ha social media they all can would one in the way on social media maybe who social media
apart from social media
yeah last week and even before last week social media korea try say amunaga dance hey mpamto se mu bia ya guwa dia kwura amunaga on social media
baby amu go apart from kumas mi no unity oil
but ultimate ni so be the better social media say amunaga dance
me de be ho de
ya guwa dia wura amunaga say no me twentrada
but me clean about me on the social media
me wo ka sam na me can the ekoso kire wo eti social media so de I'm telling you and some ampomu ya yegu asphalt
but the make can obwase na social media
on the real social media so no and some ampomu na yegu asphalt kroboa so chenya yo na sabe o ma me yegu na so ma me nguya ebo no mu kono na abehu se obi be fro se duane ne so no
the fast obwase kwan ye obwase to be egu
look me una wo ka kire me hu no social media so nra
so you don't also trust me
na this social media ko ya na ka kire me se ahunaga dance ye obi de betu osi ya guade ya wura inside ahunaga so e dey asem na me so se utuka na kwa udruwa amna obetuto mu no maza ebi kura ni ebiasia we yasia the independence celebration ba ehin kumase the asantman here no fanfare sa na die
ba fa sa da sanya
sami mi busa me mate etesa
sana tie city
say yasia be dey
the 10th independence anniversary
ila ha eti we na asantman here upon the obejina bama so kika ye nyina no the obey ni fanfare ananya sa
ba se Saturday independence nyenne
papa
independence be fanfare
papa me woni me sanya che wo esa se ba na me kura wutimi dwame na sa ka tuatua no oh you know me me ba se here what Johnson hey it monte the
VIP accident
what's that terrible you who am mobo na speculations be drew from one say enkrofo kekesi be say na ewu ebinum so say ebinum say
enche beje
when say meba one constituency one ambulance meba Body Johnson it belongs to a constituency and anyasa e one constituency be ne wo Body Johnson here ya body is under which constituency me who ambulance be ya who e bende so edusu die ni ho ana take hai krati wa ba betena ho ya woti we ya ye friend no lady say du yi onu abo lady say du ye asokware mampo municipal chief executive one ambulance ni ho so I can count and get about 3 constituencies and all these constituencies can boast of an ambulance masa nipa ne guke mu aso mu awu so mu edamenem ambulance bi ani ho I am saying this say ambulance bi ani ho me what am fra me be Body Johnson hey papa hey so mu disi ebetwa wo
no get o sisi e be friends ya
mo ba fra ni ambulance oh David na I'm saying na betra we and ahumati radiant ya wa di prosavia ma wa yese lem an woto no na ni mu teachera ni na bia
we di prosavia
na prosavia wa no kro yeni kro modian me mpeche no so wona ambulance one single ambulance cannot be found over there so who are you fooling fanfare galore asantmai atu abama wo watrantuo kontomponi dabraba ba di to me no was it independence na dey better asantmai ase
is it wrong
no hey aniama ye hia ni nabinu no fanfare on the Suan Busano, one only ambulance. No, I saw what I'm on. Maybe so as a moon. Take it, dear. For the ambulance away. Anybody go for more moon. Says, see, I'm no Casay. Papa, come in, Jan, and fish my late. I didn't hear terrible. Ha! A whole big bus is now caught Tom Nam Yasini Pama, media. Man, Caramenty. Oi, ambulance in a way. Mammy son, ambulance is away. Mammy son, on about to say good morning. Papa, BBI Boko, or besides ambulance in a way.
Papa, did you come? I mean, when we were cheerful, you know.
A tearfobia, no one cheer, ambulance in a way. Of a macho besides money.
Papa,
I don't want to say,
Meluna Bidia dances, and Chippy, and on my penny and another Danko Kufad. One or may in as soon as Swafun in Akushai. Parliament House.
The ambulance was okay. I did see you are nipper. I'm a simple and harmless question. No man penny or question. One man penny can grow away. One woman grow away. Why?
Papa, Emma, 275 constituencies. Meaning, will be a fraud catcher say. Ambulance on San Como dear. Ubi Freo can search. Thank you. Maybe I report. Yeah, me that's it. Papa, as once a constituency, you are two. As Colomampon, you are two. Balcon, actual as once a constituency, so. And the second one on so. Yes, yeah, they call airport. Means airport and so a strategic place. Tembia nipa ni wako nyaba bibia betumi asi
Papa, so Papa, you can accept this.
Oh,
simple and harmless question. What to try up here?
And you know, yeah, they are wo. They are to sumienu. Papa, se si am no.
What the other way? Anna, so Anna,
boy, nipa.
Sir.
Na papa. Oh, ya ma boko masaka. Papa, mene o kase. Tuma sports stadium. Baba ya sports stadium. We say sif match na ye. Contingent say ba yin na omo ye.
The ambulance in na ko.
As I'm speaking with you, Obakono, hwe Subin there ewo ho. Ofori krom there ewo ho.
Obi do father so
Dabi yama boko etie. Se BBC na mo afra 112 no a. In any case, Papa, ambulance no.
Mointa naduma. But
Yaka ma obiati ya ba no kaya ya kwaji kasi ba yi me koshia ya hemfu asoma pon ene ne mpemfo e de kire wo me koshia zongo ahemfo e de kire wo e ma obia kire nyinya de ba se bibia 112
famfe
unko du ha no wo ya Ghana ni pa ma papa o pe Ghana yo ne kanko Papa anya bia fra 112 no oba ye na ka kire se mo ambulance no fra 112 no kwa anko na ko ya bibia jan aka o da oba beti ye o go to ye pe e na otwa mu beti
112 no kura nyaduma
o frai
nyaduma
Papa me na o ka say se bibi se asia omo be ho no mesika o mo say omo fra 112 ambulance no baba aba fa wo mo membodi na mo kaya enche bia na ete se NDC benyifo bi sabi omo fi akra ba bibi koto omo ejeso ambulance ya na boy what you say et why do you sit down and say ambulance na yaduma yemu wa mu krofo sabi ya eso no ebwa
o kura matisa wo de wo yire na dikojob
me kura me kan say
wo abutu yi mate yaso wo de do aso ko ma mpode wo
o me na je pa because
asebo matisa na me kana ara yaso bi so wo na do no
e na ambulance abwa o eji papa edu ba bia e wo say de papa dia me de ene
mo me yenko
okay o tutu ayampi an kan say bi ma me ka bibi kakra me papa
emu de
ko Mention of
ye
Bokrom estate.
Diabo digana hwamo.
Ekopem fly ho.
Yeah, Bokrom so almost start Bokrom. Almost start Bokrom. I can also confirm say almost start Bokrom. Almost start Bokrom. I can also tell you that. Yes. The midi hu yo Bokrom must start. Tia massa nim ho de kofa stadium must start. Almost start. For that one
ejiso yeah they say double lane no who dim say aye eba no money pay papa yen
anyway
me post office quick me
no him ni come kofa na me hello him
hello papa
na boko there.
Hello, Papa.
I'm going to cast me to accident no send a situation to say I didn't go fast and buy.
Yo, Papa, me da say, and then no Papa say no so a papa meet be say a num no and bus to see a free aflawo ebe kumase ya tro ho BY o be duru ha de amount for can say a VIP bus then so metimi aka say enye VIP we bus I actually say BY. Now we drew body junction. So we say fire no. I can nanka a empire home a year runabout TB.
Yeah.
And now I any harm 24 years so be runabout no free animal. Now what did traffic light ababisi ha a quantity no ecoso. I don't see a man bonus say Robeni if we and can quasso a backmasi a BY bus yeah that form has yeah make us say ni registration number yeah e wa hasi fi ankasa me no e ka say GR 522419 na oba no kwano empa ho no omoye no omaye no se de be ya so obi pese wo free kwantempo no so na nke bia okọ buadi so mu a obefa fa no obekwa ni nsani fa so free kwa no ansa no nko be buasi mu atwa ade akọ na manebo se articulated track here na eno so nam kwa no so no ono na nam no basa so e ma sa ka nhie yi e ba ya bus no ade ko ball mu na ball mu no ne san say je se no aje senkafo ni nsamunti no sorry eno ade be to amana ya e wo e pomu ha say ID college ni mu ha pe wo fa ankran kwantempo so a ID college say de wo no unim se kwai no e wo soro pa amana e da pomu ansana what you go as you form work or cast with form over there. In the amena donko no a da a quantum pono ne ID college and tamuno a ho ana boss no or they ever toya. Make a say a daddy in Kemu. Now maniboni say na kontu 4 hour mo tisa she mu no omufi aflawo ya ebi eko Togo e mamu titru ekoto no ma omu ya adwadifo ekoto no ma nanka wo ba beton enti enipa dunsia e na etisa e hyen ya na se boss a enya akwanhia no emudu nsia no nipa ngotwe na epiraye ngotwe no emu nan de wo mu pira no emu odin kakra se de mpanifo amamaso atie no akwanhia ne sie no ano na dumgya adwumafo na afi ambulance fo nso ma won basamu eye hare etu anamon ba ha obeboaye na afo de gi nipa na wo mu pepira no ekọ ayasabia sami ka sei say bi ewo tech amanya sabia sanso eno odi bi ko konfanochi amanya sabia aposifo enso ebae etu anamon ba ya obehwe ye say akwanhia fufuro bi ansensie sanse akwanhia sifufuro sa no an nipa abonchemku ewo kwantempon na ma remfi se kuma se nkan kwantempon so de ahyen ya edi akoni aba no do so yie papa enti o ma hwe ama ntutua ne koso ne se bia ka ne se ahyen no da so eda ne nchemu ya kwantufo mu koto mu no ma no Nina adaso mu a wo de ka mu ntum ya nko betumi atwe boss no e de afi fom ho aba be si ekwa mu mpa ma wo yi no ma nanso amane bo ne se age so mo yi mu no ma ni nyina nsa na omotimi atwe boss no de front u bisa na se de atie no no menia
okay mama na wasi po him ntayo de de akire bibi e be sa to yen se de afro bi na ma ya update yeni ya bere ma yen sentwe no him ntayo yen tinka e de fi body junction no hi Nhyira 104.5 I check the time of course about 7 minutes after 9 mama nyi wi mfa na firma na ye discussion yen fanto aso
At long last, the Sunday, Ghana, your beloved country is free forever.
Independence Day is here again. Oh! Get ready as your superstation, Love 99.5 FM, brings to you the 63rd Independence Day celebration with all the kids in Ashanti. It's time for all the bubbly little kids in the city to exhibit their talents, have fun, while we shower loads of prizes on them. It's the Love FM Kiddie Festival 2020. Come participate in drama, choreography, poetry recitals, dancing, spelling bee, and lots of exciting activities that we do outside the classroom. Register as a kid, kiddie groups, Sunday school, and as individual kids now by calling 0245 594425 or pick a registration form at the front desk of Love FM. Side attraction includes all the kids playing equipment from bouncy castles, swimming pools, electric trains, and many more. There will be lots to eat and drink. Venue is the Rodray Park on Friday, 6th March 2020, 9 a.m. sharp. Kiddie Fest, celebrating our independence with our talents as we have fun on a holiday. Kiddie Fest is brought to you by your superstation, Love 99.5 FM.
At long last, the battle has ended. Ghana, your beloved country is free forever.
Independence Day is here again. Oh! Get ready as your superstation, Love 99.5 FM, brings to you the 63rd Independence Day celebration with all the kids in Ashanti. It's time for all the bubbly little kids in the city to exhibit their talents, have fun, while we shower loads of prizes on them. It's the Love FM Kiddie Festival 2020. Come participate in drama, choreography, poetry recitals, dancing, spelling bee, and lots of exciting activities that we do outside the classroom. Register as a kid, kiddie groups, Sunday school, and as individual kids now by calling 0245 594425 or pick a registration form at the front desk of Love FM. Side attraction includes all the kids playing equipment from bouncy castles, swimming pools, electric trains, and many more. There will be lots to eat and drink. Venue is the Rodray Park on Friday, 6th March 2020, 9 a.m. sharp. Kiddie Fest, celebrating our independence with our talents as we have fun on a holiday. Kiddie Fest is brought to you by your superstation, Love 99.5 FM.
At long last, the battle has ended. Ghana, your beloved country is free forever.
Independence Day is here again. Oh! Get ready.
Yeah! On the 6th of March, abusiafo, ye nyina ye hia e wo Nhyira FM premises na ye de fufuo party no abaso eye tintim. Fufuo party and ye de ebra wonim say afie etwa mu no ekoso awa Adom FM. Enti Adom ene Nhyira nyina na ye so atiaze eye tintim. Ahohom e wo fufuo mu me ba ba kyerɛkyerɛ o. Enti si aba be pie mu adwoso. Obra hema na nkasa ni kuro nie. Enti adwoso de wonim say eye aponchechi so at as tiedi ni ye aponchechi choba ye fufuo eye tintim ye bedi nkomo ni ehu enkwan kra ye de eba dwumadie na se enenti ana wotifie di se wo ba bi twame ni eni nkomo emra ya medical ka chiro se sisi ane ya ba adwoso wei eye aponchechi choba na yenya opanyinipa wada aponchechi choba no yemwa ha
ya ura
abombo ko de
nankopon adom
ye na de ntina woto aponchechi choba
ne re to aponchechi asikire ne se me na me nkum nto ho nkum nse fridge te fresh ye kum free ma yanka na ba ye na me de ye nkwan
ya dew
to be banana chini te tenkwan ne na hu as yes aponche nkwan ne na boys na me akwanya me na mtu ne di boys na sesisu na etu sa na boys na taxi driver for no aponchechi tuba ha na mtu ne di aponchechi 6 March no ene mama abeda na di aponche nkwan se Ghana ha de opa ponche nkwan e papa e da e aponchechi e wojo so municipal na chi aponchechi nkwan de wudi a nkwan nsesa da me ye be 15 years na nsesa da de se me ye bibia local nkwan no ba na se bia me si ye je na me de be ye ne amoko no mu se yes ti wudi a wuti taste no obo ya dwum aduane a wode magi ubana wudi aponchechi a wote garlic akakaduro eni je ne eni ntina maponchechi still de bia ekoso
na se ni hwam ne da so
ni hwam ne de se me nya start se pe wonam ka akwa mu okra akwa na etu obi ka etwam ko otimi siba tresi cent na de beduru ho no
Mama Ivy na motere karwe eye fufuo ase eye tintim me pa cho he de aka ni nyina no edi se wo ba Nhyira FM on the 6th of March na so be so hwe
At long last, the battle has ended. Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Independence Day is here again. Oh! Get ready as your superstation, Love 99.5 FM, brings to you the 63rd Independence Day celebration with all the kids in Ashanti. It's time for all the bubbly little kids in the city to exhibit their talents, have fun, while we shower loads of prizes on them. It's the Love FM Kiddie Festival 2020. Come participate in drama, choreography, poetry recitals, dancing, spelling bee, and lots of exciting activities that we do outside the classroom. Register as a kid, kiddie groups, Sunday school, and as individual kids now by calling 0245 594425 or pick your registration form at the front desk of Love FM. Side attraction includes all the kids.
Nhyira FM heya on the 6th of March. O ba ye hia hwe free ho say o de so asanka ne fa bra. Ne fa be tie fufu because fufu de o say kom na fufu free. Me din de Diana Hamilton. Enti ma ye share wa ha yes smart. Fufu party e be ye de keke.
And now, Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Well, yes, we're tossing on 104.5 for number one. I can radio station check the time 40 minutes after 9. Baby, I will take some munina kwaba. Mediani Papa Aquatic Yamike, Papa the General Pay, Honorable Yamwa Ponko, former municipal chief executive, just a job in municipality of Ya, Santos Honorable Lady Sedu, a municipal chief executive, and the Masokore Mampong, Ofia Dinkomo. Honorable Yamwa Ponko, for Sebeyanka, some now a kind of ambulance no and catch us an apacho because we make false claims say hasn't received an ambulance but pay our reporter or him interior and they are trying to just say fire service an ambulance for Baho and the fire victims to the core hospital in Tibayanka she's an apacho
for Nekesa someone me kind no
what you know
from Sobe maybe drew one
or for one kind of sound
was you be through one ambulance ba kokura ni ho
it may be so say
was you be anko okay the young
anyway catch and crop for cross say min chen sam peche obi a so you know no
okay young queen
baba David
no but so chen but they are listening
oh David go for it say be through ho no ambulance bi ani ho
was you amon koi na masa da bi eh papa manem chen san no po macho also say obi adwuma masa enya vanza
ona mo yenko yenim
onim na institutional diplomacy
say anopa won ka wi
ona mo department
we are support
yenko yenim
we dem say ebra me car sa na ambulance dem ni ka
enya no kra
enti eno ofa and a miracle
o say
miracle ambulance
asa me ka no dem ni ka kwa be ka no dem ni ka kwa
afa me yenko yenim
ono asokwa mampode ni wife na di kojomo
Ofa me
I mean report na nipa na tere ba bia me nkote wo se tiri wo ko bia no oba ne
ono na driver na so bi ne
program so de yire di kodwom nti me no bi me na anopa won ka bi dia o
me se the papers na ma o
paper de
daily guide the front page
anopa dia na abroye keka no na
President Mahama is claiming Mama kasa
o man from French
ono na o different
o man from French
he said he stated so was starting with this
me betra hey man fa ni dia mamu anchia mo fenche me na papa me wa boss body bi de ma ofori krom municipal assembly
efadio
uni me say me ta fa udu traffic light ho no me ta fa ho ekopi free asokwa me road no traffic light wo
e dey fa fence awon guard krata
me hu say ho ye very neat e dey uni me mi hu ade no na eya kane na meta fa owura bi mpeso aso na nansa me dia ho fa be fa ho ipakura me ke wonim na me fa na me hu bibia eye kama pa me bona baso but wono sa owura ya me kana so There be a demonstration a kofa wayek. But one wayek you.
Minimum wayek over. Wayek and Yasko man for myself.
Wayek.
Wayek and Yasko man.
Oh, unity oil no a well left in.
Yeah, a new year. Oh,
now they are some tier one. Me pacho. I want no. Is it under KM and answer as Sokorimampo? Because Obi can say a 1 year Sokorimampo. Ah, okay.
It is why you fa.
I want no year Subin.
A back of Subin. KM. Okay.
Oh, as MC and nature said, Yamiki, Okranu, we are way.
The meaning
I want to. Oh, Dabi. In fact, MC Kumasi a bit top.
In terms of
insanitary conditions over there. And the one who stench, is simply unbearable.
Matter of fact,
for you come the municipal assembly. In fact, me bomb abaso.
Formate.
One, but a choir make a woman. Very, very neat. So I don't know. No more. Michelle left and right. Miss Wow. Assembly no ebom homode. It be there. Edumano si ayibida. It is so near be a BCC na say we be na sabas bodia waka. And that will encourage them to do more. Now, why I kidia Mikai, she said, "Wuna wo to a walk at him, say, what? And you would deal. What's the one she was?
Oh, what they say.
Oh, sorry.
But you now no titi. Yama, Ninano, I'm say, Equisia de Bacus. I'm say, baby, data, Cassia would be a, she said, you know. On say plastics no adults
masa
me hu ba bia wo patchiri waja se na say the na wo kan ofukum di sa stretch no e you ofukum asokwa nti emfa basobo no ma omumienu nyina
no it is within ofukum
public transport
lane it can never be asokwa no the kwa masa they have done well to MC no for the why are men for
Matthias
no baby was so kwa me to me no e saba for body
me ba time into the well noted.
I brought free SHS Bahama claims, and this is coming from Delhi Guide. Delhi Guide a year paper MC Ghana for paper ready. But there God on time ka asem papa mfa mahamani endiso e dibi de meme no this story no simple President Mahama Kasa he's right and let me tie woni abronya interview no but Abbas Bekasa no just making nonsense of and some abronya ka yin Abbas Nati wo no about I
don't know much man.
And the no okasa with facts.
Oh please.
You know that is the man for you Abbas Nuruddin. Best communicator in the region. I'm telling you. Woka asamno ewie ni kakra with facts. Now you know okay na back by facts. What is the need for me to, make any further?
So is it true, Mahama, with the days senior high school starting?
There is something enshrined in the national constitution concerning progressive free education, and that is done, systematically. Constitution. Say adie we no yenye ni boom shade papa bia ye ni boom ama awofo ene enkwada aho kire wo mu no aba so saka bibi cho say one ni veranda obeka so oye ade so ni veranda na so be ya ade a ene ade no ne beda umpa so asa o sisi adan infrastructure ni ho also we free education and that has actually given birth to your friend the double track you, triple track you, fourth track you. And then Kwadano, a goofy man, the anyone, according to reports.
In fact,
according to reports.
Report if you
a free Ghana,
Nipa institution,
Nipa,
saying.
Report to the woman generate no woman Ghana for mu yenipa
almost say
double tracking
aye dey
e maya ne wo mu no esan so mo kɔ ya no mo sa betrefie nti nimu an no mo nyim
me the sen na nyim of we on no mo pese mo ntime intellectual discourse and you're putting out
probably I'm not an intellectual.
Wait, no,
probably no, you can put it that way.
But
I'm still telling you, say there are reports HSA as a result of double tracking. Oh, Ali, no, we are so all day.
Manikasa.
No, so what you baby out here? Baby cook rose about it. What lie? The Americans say there are reports. I mean, credible one. Just as a result of lack of accommodation, for instance, for the students, you know. Abefie because of double track. Oko school 3 months, you know, as betrefie 5 months. And then you want one. It's as simple as that. And I mean, a report. Nipa be generate to Ghana, and nobody can deny that. Even you can call the Minister of Education himself and his 2 deputies. I think they will attest to that fact. Yes, double track, you know. It has brought mayhem untold hardships. And the other system. And the Americans say progressively free education is to be implemented throughout the whole nation, progressively, systematically, gradually. So because of political expediency, media free education. I'm even told this some elders within his own party, a new patriotic party, no. All friends catch as a bema. Say Osia Prasabi, Yamfada Krupe, Yasin Fita, Adiane Tobo, Anna du Prima was Munadia Moketano. Many of them Kokwado no, Miss Maye, and will two idea to go moon. And now Kofa Yene Abeto Batai and Omo Mwakaso. Abasika Bibi. I refer to Abbas because I so much believe in that guy. The guy is up to Bibian.
What's he say?
What's say? Abbas say. Who did the American? What's he say? School fees, you know. Nana Kufuado say. Utuyama awufono. The awufono one kasa spend beside the school fees here. Nana Kufuado say utuyama womono. Eyemohu ben nine. If say back and our woman was school. Double track for no. That's a quadani befi no answer. I teacher ni. And I teacher for. I'm one chance quadana dia. Dia quadani share ya almost a better if you know refi. And I think it is true. I will for no. They themselves know what they are going through.
Hey, Papa,
Adiano, there was yes free SHS. And the question is, Adiano, is it really free? And the answer is wait a minute. Papa no pa wuni abutre.
How free is Nana Akufo-Addo free from Mahama free na non so no claims or the buy?
Mahama free no. It was free in the sense say Oma obi atia say adeno eye systematic. Ye kono
it was started with this student
or started. Look, a case in point. As these schools, community day schools, some schools no hunsaro. African countries who come most countries in Nigeria and many other omuni bio. Hey, Papa, and then you are up to mischief. No, you are up to something.
I'm not having any cover. The claims and the free SHS we implemented and we brought it. But before you sana, obviously our dying yet to dine pajitini pa one executive master bedroom. One executive master bedroom. There were 2 master bedrooms, and there were 3 other rooms. There were common washroom, there were large dining hall, so, and a living room. So, there were boho. I months. You come pass with your light with your. I for big company I just say fruit and the flowers and the come a year pa. And Tipato so need to die who so percent do per diato. No man or bush of a one executive master bedroom, 3 master bedrooms, 3 other rooms, a share common washroom, there were large dining hall and living room, there were borehole, there more quality water. Now, if you like to be with your large compounder, different food plants, the baby. Appear do Kumasi Yanewo. So we need to put me a first number with 0248770565. That's 0248770565. But more than pato, yam pagent bia, but more than free. Now no send panen kasa na on can be bian fan show. 0248770565. But more than free na dying. What they also to me. But my deal.
Yeah, my member Ufukum for Abasu. It was a human of my own. I mean, good. I'm saying, regional minister, Kekan was a master in DB or see the other assembly, Sintino. Ekusiwa said an American say hono obo Fukum Abasu and nowadays Asokwa there was a mention of Asokwa as at the time I near Casa but I feel I draw my attention on Mumina Moshe boundaries Ekusiwa but Papa some of the mischiefs are Yamwapon Kone and DC for to the BI one Papa way goes to confirm say Omampani that John Dramani Mahama. Okay, so can say Ghana for China you fiade. Say no a question it more. Ama tembia o kasa o kana se dusipe. In any case. Say amwa ponko betna. Sebi amwa ponko. Wesua homa kwachiri. One hold the positions. E wo meyimu. Now kosa below the belt argument we am say a double track no ama onkwada enyenyem hwe sasema okan mehu se consistently NDC for 10 bia mo kasa omutumi kan sa atra to the point say omo presidential aspirants omo ya campaign no ebi ko tumi kan bi me kai say one of our communicators ba bonte be ka say he suspects mpo say NDC for take a advantage because among nyenye monkwala no say the be ya I'm telling you otia sankwala na nyenye government tie mimi wonu akwa nyembedu kwa we wanimu mimi hu mi hu aso ma boy mi hu bi o e say abapon konkwa na NDC for kwa na nim onkwada dodo a Omuko school and NDC for Nanyan. This is what I'm saying. But you don't have any evidence. We need any evidence. You don't have any proof. You don't have evidence. Messi, Sankolane in Yemdia. NDC for Nanyan Kuala Sabaya. Omu sabotage the system. No free senior high school. Free senior high school has come to stay. I'm telling you. And you know, Mejidi Yamabok. Otuwe, they don't know to me. Wait, why you do those? Why, yeah. Yamabonko. I don't want to be here. Wait, who knows? I do know. May I am one minister? Why? It's me catch a gun of when you say Yamabonko NDC. Zuba, Yabi. No, you don't have any evidence. No, evidence. papa eji enyi na se yembo esire yembo esire me ngan
endu bo esire
eji me so bo mo fa
to claim so be akwanyi mo bi na
omo na ya papa wato mes oni mes wa
yanko ye ni
eji papa double black no innovative idea o man panyin ni dia ba se obia ni wa onya free senior school ananko wonko me mama yanko me papa no ko school
oh my god
me mama yanko bi bibisa mama ka tell me say sabra ni o se na ogifo ne wan na beboa wo papa na ene ye dia ba me fi community a hia wo ho Ana say me mama antumi anko school because of inyantia na ne ababa du pempenso a nkwada ko school free na ya mo beta o ne ndis John Dramani Mahama e gaje Ghana fo nyina say free senior high school bom na de ba ya papa na unti Ghana ha ana na unti Guatemala o kai abra ni oka e kan say free senior high school betumi abade 20 years answer one thing
biti pa
beti mu lidrisu o se wan free senior high school he Ghana ha ensi one thing o man mi ni okuje to ablakwa se eno de yen sincha kwa emma entumi mada emma o kai satam 216 no a o mgo fa persamasa otable ensem bia o kan he atwitwa siani e de be pie sai a ono kra se free bibia free bia no enye o kai
me kai pa
na dey na so papa and he says you have the guts.
He started with the day school, and the day school was free, and therefore he started free SHS.
Papa, the progressive free can not work. Progressive no one work.
But I can't make it.
Okay, say.
And
Sabra no crown. Almost say. Bet you have 54 CDs. I'm on Quadano. From the day of the buy a copy so few soon, I saw 54 CDs go. Okay, yay, bet you 54 cities. Now in any case, 54 cities 8 school fees, 8 admission fee. Our Ghana ha. What be that? 54 cities. 80 ferry. But Papa, you have a duty to inform, educate, and entertain. Tell them. Say, Mumu say, Muna mo de buy Debbie, I was say come take a man pro. And some of can now watch you. Dedi kanono. Get us now the aba that time no enrollment. Before say the free senior school baba enrollment na say ye de ba say na bedo boy papa ni nyina no waka o kan infrastructure papa menko ask ko man po schools wa yesie ebu 11
atakwa me dan ko
hey papa this the time atakwa me dan no fan go and check what I say
atakwa me dan ko no
papa my message central me say achiro okay ask ko man po 6 unit Kumaka 6 units 18 units Sanono
atakwa me dan ko
Nasiridin 6 units ko Edukrom 12 units Edukrom 6 12 6 18 units Sanono ko Ababo number 1 middle B 6 units ko papa say ya ni ACC de ko
atakwa me dan ko
o fast ko man ponko a
etudisi form
do ayesie no what I say eti papa de here ka ko se nyina ne say when you have a determined president, everything is possible. Oh yes. Yeah, that can do spirit, and you'll be on a
determined to destroy
Papa, and you'll be can do spirit, and you'll be on a wob you. Or people catch us a young to me yet. Before so the background of the Asian team said the name call you want to me and you know Obano, or the Asian team that enjoy crying ye. Nana the down Kufado, Kaya or say, ye be son and Oba, the Ben about September. Papa. September 2017. Now free senior school and shall say.
Now shall say.
It tells you say a baby a canukre, a baby a consistent. MPP nkuane abanya yenka bibi enkodu baby mi yense san ya no Debbie
eti Mahama free this na ye den
ma ti bi boda wan ye hu e de no e o ma banyi da John Dramani Mahama o so free senior school e ko ma wa mo na de na won te Ghana ha wa mo me off me
it ono na free ya
papa ade eye nika kese pa ne se okay abra o ma banyi da John Ejugufo no o say o de free maternal care by me wo nkwala e wo free maternal care time e ba free senior high school sa ene nya mu faso eti no bisa bi line na bisa awfo se why na abra ma panyi da John Drama ni ma wo no no ntu asu
be da sipi ona mo ya ma boye fa
ya na de nya sa obedware no akosu pa e na oji books e di kwa and no and ya 154 cities
me pa chow enti asokore mampo MC network asai
from my so MC da
ayo no
okay papa asokore mampo unum say be de wo mo ne boshi ajeso number 2 busa MC he say since our baby take you over the reins of administration was asokore mampo up to date me one project here, one edifice. It should be my day. What asokore mampo?
Okay, my member.
No, me say mamba kupe.
Okay, Papa. Okay,
sir. Neso bobo mamba kupe. And now tell me
fire service.
Oh,
vocational and technical training center and so no juma from kwada ofu adwen wo da me de me ru mama me
asokore mampo municipality
me niam aya me won
asokore mampo municipality there is one edifice
ebi na dey
it should be my da e wo pakoso.
Oh please, man, can you imagine?
Oh
please.
Tobo also people say
community senior
Mahama
enti dey eno e dey eno kura be ba dey me ko me ko
afa betama
no dey ataka
papa MC here
1 year
afa betama check it out. 20 more minutes to right, can come with it. Champions League matches now. So,